no na boama na madadi nso etimerament here live on Sompa TV Sompa na 3.1 Sompa Sunyane Sompa Nkranza ni nyina na dedam eboa na bibia akoyere mama kase Bertway ye bo modena ye diomo ye nyesika bebre na hyehyɛ na akoyie pa etimiara mana na Bertway erentoto ye pa banti ruamo wonye dumfie dun wotwe a www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na wabomoden use the golden booking code no na wetimiara aye adwuma uruamo abonse matches no already area to otwa from 10 Ghana cedi Ekoko Romo 40 Ghana cedis na eba onye ska bebrambo ye brasand usika na etimi the amount ye no eye the Betway golden code promo no ana golden booking code no emu nkomo na ye de ewrama eba mane mada di impera ma de yan so benya edun fie no dun wotwe na odun wahye ware no terms and conditions ya de a ye apply no eba mane makoye pa e ma Betway bet your way na ne amande da yeso no entimi emfama no so echi no drinks ne emienu pe eno an ya boboboba maya woden sonko emieba neba be gian na so etimi ebo adwuma kama pa ntunji bia ewo so okọ na kokoji bibo na senete your mixer 5G nhabama ni nduaba na de aye ebema woden sonko cafe bia nim na ne no ababa benye nsusu so ewo so na ejinejira mu pa Ghana oma adwena de be nyane no eno na ma school for no no your grapes oma eyam niama no eyen wadwuma ne urgency a eyi ntinima eboama de gian na so ma ne makoye pa etimi green tea na nesrade a eboamanya body shape no eno so achi no omo na di miso fruit drinks na bana mu na edepa na emu so edu emu api obo anwuzampa wabo ade a eboa na wegian na so na nema ada ye pretimi aramantitu anamo na kokokoji bisa ye na aba abedinto na aba de dodo na eba be hiem no na drinks ne emienu pe miso fruit drinks and a mixer 5G ebeboa ma wo no omoni agye papa fa number na nso jo de 0246 270221 0246 270221 and 0558 10634 0558 10634 niambwa nane mankoye mamo east no monko kweku Oche Company Limited ewo call for you dia na hona money 0243 324 414 0243 0243 329 414 0243 329 414 no abwa na oni omwe dinkomo ene KF Kinju Enterprise so woni echeme wo no motel swame aya Kumasi anso no obo modena wajibi 054 448 3392 054 4483 392 054 4483 392 Manager Daniel ewa overseas ubenya bi honom na 21st kene ko wajibi bi kan supermarket on say kebina Mama Esther orwani chemo outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University ebuakwa OGB PNZ Ventures so no Anomaji taxi station, OC Charity Hospital Junction, Obenya Binana Search Enterprise on Safwa Binchi, OC VIP car park, ye Buana Nema de Yepa, Etimi Ediamanti Ramuna, Yamwana to Tiankoye, Etimi Fama 940 Pepe Amenko Memana Transi, Ye Ramuna Fia Manonen Komono, Etimi Atuaso Kama Pa, Edi Amana Buatna Shisheno, Etimi Dadin Lutakin.
International Abu Dhabi.
Kena bibi aboko de.
Brakwa kunyami adom na so e.
Menso mo ye na emre ni on to de kajagum ne enko.
Right, Brandon Sensuna no pa ni ye be breaking it down. Na ya touching it down. Na ya knocking it down ya nyada jeje mu yompo wa mo nsemo. Eso de ma join on Sompa TV a. No ma didam uko Facebook a. Eya Sompa 93.1. Na bibia didam like na share. Wadwin kire bia no pia de ba. Ye be kenkan de ma ye nsembisa. Ye be ya no adama. Ye nsha se Hungary, Budapest, and a World Athletic Championship. No, Egusa Etotwa, and Opay Ewa tip of Siminyadaje, Eje day 3 event out to a 2 genre, and 100 meters for Nano, and Opem don't send people to a name. Na day 4, na day 4 say, and an event in a Besako, na timetable in the Jamo, as Weatherman and Opaya, Romane Tuesday, 22nd August, Nessa Opay morning session, and there's no event. And no Ramo World Athletic Championship. Etojo Hungary, Budapest na nesa anopenya desa event bia. Ebetma toja nemom ukwa evening session na. And you may say an activities in it here. Obeka red media to anim. Eso Pemo Budapest, Hungary wa omuli di Ghana by 2 hours. And tinanumre ebo 6:40 Oba Ghana 4:40. Nesa first event of the day. Eso etime baso eno 100 meters hurdle and we are man run 1 ebetimi atodwa and watching about 720 UPM Hungary and no so no oba Ghana nessa 520 numere 800 meters and no ememano run 1 eso betimi atodwa and watch about 750 which is 555 our Ghana high jump ebetimi atodwa and watching 820 discus throw eso abekoso and watching 400 meters hurdle and man semi-finals and also ebetimi atodwa sasa about 9 p.m. which is 7 p.m. our Ghana 400 meters and man semi-finals no ebetimi atodwa about 7:30 Ghana time which is 9:30 our Budapest and also 1500 meters and man final no ebetimi atodwa na about 9:42 and no our about Budapest about Ghana and also 7:42 and you have 3000 meters and also no final no mema no ebetimi atodwa and you so far and now UPM our event how do betodwa our World Athletics Championship omu table no and menya daja breaking it down attaching it down and knocking it down what jejamu yompo esudema anopem ye adwuma de binima o and a man 100 meters final no na sababa wa bakwa wo ginidin ye friend Sharika ababa wa ye friend Shakari Richardson na Shakari Richardson and I say okra world record no me say record no a championship record then you say 10.65 seconds and wodi awie ne twa emotional moment etimi todwa anopem de nsempi bae no wie na no kwa no hage any coach wodi ne training aye papa ye very Dennis Michel na Dennis Michel say yes adwuma ne ye no aso abapa eso edamaye amese the gold medal no ya ba betabiri ne setabrinwa eso de ko amese de obi ebo abaso eno esefata ene ye de ma wo dwuma die no so ma menya adwuma bi wo Inter Miami o maso ema efina abaso ne yedie obomofo de nam wo paso osoko one body nya se Messi opema akira nwumre 11 p.m. opema Inter Miami Messi kwai na kuntunkuni wakobo mo ama omakwa kwaje omu Leagues Cup no na se china omu ebo US Open semi-final game against a Cincinnati eno Robert Girardo Tata Martino akonfirm was in the best enye rest sembia owura no obe no bia wadwuma obo Edmund team no crew ano omunyi bida ema team no ene Inter Miami omo team agibia wo rest Messi ayedai china 11 p.m. omu semi-final game US Open no omu bebo ama Messi so ginam enu ensam opindia tudwa ye jejam adama mami mfam wom na me mfam som emfam piam emfamao ne nse kumasini akoda Ghana ni akoda born de se de Black Stars renche ben UPM Denmark ho en wodin nkweje na Sompa Edmatima ye fa New Zealand na kodana no paya wa touch it down e France Grobey na okoya de o France Abranta Ernest Nuama and American aseme wa pem okosa contract e diama Olympic Lyon okoba adwuma damomo e season long loan and okosa no obolo na ebosia and New Zealand e fordine ko na omusi ni loan no the cross way ba be shem e cross be obligatory purchase a clause of the Besham for 23 million euros. Na said the loan in Panawea, Sebasomo Tona Sika, Timothy Leon, Ebe Tradaman Club, no, as well and to Kumasinia Koda, Ganania Brantie, I friend Ernest Nuama, Baby said, yeah, Wakopie, as well and no, and no Edabana UEFA Champions League on said the last edition, no, Manchester City, the Sky Blues Energy, this is Nanche, na Baba Shas, na official match ball omo anya daba 2023-2024 no ena pemedia Adidas for my ball no the atoso no Adidas finale 23 Adidas finale 23 na urama the sa ball no join e bi the crowd 20 cruise no na ball we no adesom nya daja ena omo hwe early 2000 UEFA Champions League ball so omo ye no ena more than UEFA Champions League ball so ma ye ena omo blending omo kabom ena ɔmo de aba ɔmo so bɛhu Champions League logo no ɛsɛ ɛbia ho ɛna bɛhu Adidas ɔmo logo ɛsɛ ɛbia no ɔmo ayɛ no foundation yɛ white ɛna ɔmo a strike ɛyɛ star no ɛso ɛwɔ ho ama bɛyɛ kama na previously na sɛ mo ma me nhwɛ sɛdeɛ tɛ bobɔ me fa bia so na me previously boss outdom double Champions League no uroma edia na ɛdeda so no ɛso ɛna da no wohwɛ mu a na sɛ yɛ 2021-2022 na Adidas bomb the buy for Champions League near friend Adidas finally Petersburg edia na da so ɛna 2021-2022 no ɔmo ɛyɛ ɛde buy ɛna try ho nkyerɛkyerɛ mu a ɛna egugu mu a ɔmo de ebi ɛso atima ba na last one ɛde kɔɛ no a ɔmo de kɔba Man City yɛ no na Adidas finally Istanbul edia na no so ɛda so a yɛde kɔɛ ɛna yɛgyegya mu ɛso da mu a ɛwɔ dwumadie no so ma me ngram na me nya dwuma we ɛma na Roma PSG ɔmo se already ɔmo atete ɛso ɔmo player friend Hugo Ikitike owram ɛwɔ West Ham United na so ɔmo nya official offer bia ɛmfi West Ham United for ɛso ɔmo promo player wano ɛna ɔmo de ɛyɛ sensɛm ɔmo ano na ɔmo de Shanto ɔmo ano na ɔmo de Gwen official for bia ɛmfi West Ham United ɛma so ɔmo player Hugo Ikitike ɔmo ɛpɛ no na PSG player yɛvɛ Marco Verratti ɛno am de 20 ɛsɛ Manchester United pɛ no other clubs pɛ no team even PSG ɔmo si interest in the abadewa ɛfi England ɛfi Italy ɛbi free Atletico Madrid aba Saudi Arabia nanso offer bia ɛso ɛntimi ɛmae player ni di sɛ ɛno so pɛ so free ɛyɛ team even PSG ɔmo so agree so bɛmana kɔ nemum offer bia ɛma nemum possible ɛsɛ loan betimi aba ɛba so betimi accept ama player no ɛso atimi akɔ ɛno ɛde dabama so a yɛpie dia ma na nura ne beto dwa ɛsɛ Mason Greenwood obekai January 2022 ne nsɛm bebre ba ne girlfriend wakɔ abuse oba no ɛno Manchester United official statement etimi di bae ɛsɛ after 6 months internal investigation ɔmo nsa boy no conduct no mutually ɔmo ɛbɛma boy no free Manchester United a onsi aka mo ɔmo baabi opebia no obetuma akɔ ne free nura na statement ne bae no office the day one bebre ɛna etuma ba for Mason Greenwood championship clubs no ebi kura de bae saso na demete Saudi Arabia clubs in eba Al Ittifaq ɛfa yomuti nemum demete United ɛfa so mo ntonoma club o England ɔmo de ba kwa mo ne no wakɔ akosi akan United pen for so mo tenase no on se boy no court drop charges no obana na court so mo drop charges no United for so mo twem no ɔmo se boy in tansa ɔmo de boy Mason Greenwood no na ma sa no mo nyina ye innocent one year bia nemum video na ba no ɛno na asɛm di akira mutually am mo atemneti anase ɔmo ayese obe free air club no ɛso akɔfufra akɔ pesiu ɛne contract am bia ɛso aye kama ɛno ɛde dawa ye jamo na opiam a Fred aye Manchester United former player ɛno opiam oteki na Fred pm no ɔno so no ɛno Fenerbahce ebo game na game of Fenerbahce boy no Fred ekɔhye go na go na no ɔde na go no na Fenerbahce Fred jina no we ya say offside anye eno Samsung Sport eno no boy Fred ahye go way a world class goal agina ni a owe say offside ampa aden offside one go score and just say broni ba hu no bo we winning football crab say offside Fred enyiwani eno edeba Harry Maguire ono se the situation say ayekom ayesamusie ye wodurase no eho ye din ni nyina no say Abrante Manchester United for say West Ham for ye san komo penom ema deal no e collapse ye efro offer bia ema eno nam so me some United omuntimi nkofa center back bia mfa na ma Harry Maguire nyankoi na kofa center back e de na ba bede ena eju ogina akire wa na Eric Ten Hag e kire no United po no on be bobi onya da chese wonim akwane friend onana no po no nie won de ensa ho wate na body sa fama ye na omo ye ne sa nya sa dia abeje gon eno e de fro eba ye jeje mu eso e de amamu na no pa odwumadi no so Manchester City £55 million bid on the come Rennie our France no Rennie for sika mu otwam emu odu emu ode omo accept omo nya jetum ama Brantia ye fa Jeremy Doku say ono so eba abebo adwumadi ama Man City mediamete say webe enen kwa na wie nu kira no pa na wa travel be pia mo Manchester aben medical e de ama Manchester City na bia so e fine enu e de dawa me jeja mo e de Man City say Jeremy Doku enya join team no pair na so far season we samai sika o ma spend no no say any city Urama Mateo Kovacic spent 30 million pounds from Brantano of the free Chelsea Eba Sasa Josco Guardiola 77.6 million pounds and on the free Leipzig Eba Jeremy Toku 55 million pounds come on 162.6 million pounds and 3 players City and their son Omutuamoba and yet they don't know Pep Guardiola what Pagnis will pay kakra na nekano baby or parke yano on Sabroche no matter whom you are and Brandy do and do yes so Panino Wakako Paki baby any kwasa oko pake ama the take it as so Edabre Pep Guardiola as a sa yellow lena oko pake and a double yellow I want yem paki one money ye and opinentia oko eko pake or Emma Orano just say they made some security guard no a big class of Manchester United fan or Pep Pake kana and what the take it in a quiet massage I didn't do I was so utia and no at the Dawa ye jamo at the Madame Mikel Arteta and Akasa what the Afa and red card a brand friend Tomiyasu Ediano was where the referees in the man in now the Omudano on Casentia more money and yet consistency na dena wa ye na mo man red card no obia ya mo fa red card man ye busa se die and Tomiyasu ye.
For me, that's not an issue, if the referee makes that call, and we are
Sompa
consistent with that. I think they explain it. The only thing that we are asking is for consistency, and if not, we need to play with a stopwatch to understand what is it and what is not. For me, that's not a
what's it where they say obia wasted time football ma was say omo punishing pakro manu kwese we dey asan kwa na dey di omo ni nyina no say hwe abrante friend Tom Yesua the second yellow card the man kwa red card no na time wasting and nam so referee the red card na kire no and so obi su kwa bia antentam na mo dey abia ho dey ama no no ensam a efri na so ye eba and wachi no say and no dwiri ne say ayenim say na ebo penalty anka first choice penalty taker Bukayo Saka na die na si ya Abrante Martin Odegaard and a couple penalty now yente Mikel Arteta.
I had no clue, to be fair. It's about leadership of players and if they felt it was the right thing to do, for me, I'm fine. They have to make those decisions on the pitch. I was surprised like everybody else. They made that. He scored the goal, which is the important thing, and we won the game.
Was it okay or Casano who be Bianoboa or no credit genius? Surprising, no, said the surprise won't be a to be place. No want me take a decision. Our pitch and so no credit Bukayo Saka who ya or the God Akobo, Nemo was share points in the here a chile a ding and we are some run there to draw ya de mamo. Now Chelsea and I'm the 12 Mr. Omuram our New England Revolution a team of America Kwasam goalkeeper Jamit goalkeeper Yavana George Petrovic China Webe Obetuma sign at the amateur 7-year deal and Obesa Kosi 2030 with option for another year. Now quite 2031. Basadia fixed scar. Chelsea trade them a New England Revolution on 17.5 million dollars and a bonus now and add-ons about $2.2 million and no idea but a Roma as a Lukaku Brasae. So be ampe Lukaku dia and a Lukaku Mrano Mebobi Samo or Mania Bretotan for as when you pre Lukaku na Chelsea confirm esa Brantia ye fene kani chuku meka Brantia no kwa surgery no ampa why surgery no we na 6 weeks and we betre fiansa no beba back watimi ababak and we edebe Newcastle oma complete 18-year defender we free Chelsea ye Lewis Hall oma nya wie a loan and all by obligation to buy see based on performances and omo ebehwe and no edebe Fulham United and so etme na Fulham for me patcho Fulham for ram ewo Juventus adaya omo ehwe Abrantia ye fan Moiskin omo se Metrovic ko omo per replacement omo nya Moiskin ebeboa and watching Watson Odoi na nkomo pe no and so collapse interest na wu and nto omo nya Moiskin a ebetima boa omo eno edeba na ye Chouamini na ohwa Abrantia training no pass bia Chouamini twa ya masa de na de awosin begu Real Madrid team no badwuma and no mu ye training pa no de na no e fa kire sei na wa chese mpacho join on Facebook na be join your Sompa team na pass no to ne sa no enkofo be ma pass na sumba bi opese ekọ na eno so atimi afa eno e de ba na Rodrigo de Paul Atletico Madrid anka o join Al Ali Bobo kono Saudi Arabia den akolapse woni Diego Simone adi nkomo obesa atena Atletico Madrid abadwuma ama biaso aye fanfan eno e de ba ye jam e de amamo na yenwram enura opiema Abrante Tijani Rentes ewo AC Milan enura pitch no so de na ba bia ne dia abrom kwa we etu Bologna ekotwam 2-0 Abrana Olivier Giroud and Christian Pulisic esha 2 goals no enura distance covered where distance traveled 12.802 kilometers na sanu atwuma ne dia ba bia wo ye ede emawomo Abrana se ura ye fe no eye Marco Pellegrino aso arrive ukopiem ewo eye Madonina Air Clinica ono so air baben medical from eye Argentina on se ofri air Buenos Aires wo team air fan air Plantensi ho en ofra o baben medical na no paya na bibia de demo watima sign na sika team air fan Milan air 3.5 million euros na se bonus eka ho na om the 10% future sales so atima shem no air de daw na no paya opemo Madonina Clinica o ben medical no ye de ama no chino branch air fan air Facundo Gonzalez ono so no we ni medical anopaya o ram eso akọ prepare for Sampdoria and so ene daswa ye jejamu kama eso ediama no na we ye ram Napoli no am the 20 eso no Celta Vigo Abrante Gabriel Veiga omo eya wie denese of final stages they met adeno akwakogina nyina se plan air train green light from a team e friend Celta Vigo and Sarobe joining Napoli wetima kwana so green light no Celta Napoli nyanwie enu toguso ho Inter Milan for almost twen esa Abrante friend working Korea also pemo playing time kwa Alexis Sanchez and a be replace no eno e dia ban yantwa Bayern Munchen na Bayern Munchen and then omo ye omo public air training fans e ba be hwe na yantwa fans e Cuba my yantwa be na fans no before training no omo ki omo salai obia nya bra omo e ba be pe game no and a training was Zabna structure eswetimi ahwe eno so muti so na eno achinu wrama Rafael Guerrero since a preseason no wonya injury calf injury or run and on individually wetima babe training na mo Benjamin Pava ono so mo hwe we Rafael Guerrero and individual or on personal training no na se bia dem eno achi Benjamin Pava ono so no say o mo twen eso be wram ewo Inter Milan no akwakobo dwuma ma bibia eso etima kama na mo onya nkwan no eno ni team no eso etimi training kama on the so for my bibia plus bonuses about 33 million euros and no escape to my PM na Hurricane and wanya training adaya uramo so man permission ni nyana say na yire friend Kate no etimi awom fourth born ora ye friend Hurricane award wo says wanya member mienu ema mienu na on say ne ba panyin no ye friend Ivy or 6 years and a second one no so Vivian 5 years omo ye ma and last two no Luis 2 years and at the Omawo in Ray. Now, Kodano Mawono, Nidinia with Henry Edweskin, a dear or Dama no Mawo come into or Koma Kodana Kwaban in Ire, a Jomani Kakra, and no Edia Dawa, ye Jamu, Aswa Damamo, Ewo Aya Jumadian so, Yogusu Etim Konasu, breaking on my down, attaching on my down, Ewo Jumadian Sunam, and Ra Upiama, a Yadesa Sports Board Awards no, Ewo Esu Etim to 2023 Hamburg, Emma or Reve Ike Kondogan, and Omuyi no as a star of the year, as a German player of the year, and Omutimi Edmano, Abra legends, no, award 60 years, no, Bundesliga legends, and also Koye, Edmar Lewandowski, Kainz, Rummenigge, Thomas Muller, Matthias Sammer, Lothar Matthäus, and Felix Magath, Omne Jenina so, na Yamfan small dear Bob, no Paino, Yamfa Ensia, Elfuta, Jumadiso.
Hey, you ever buy credits where you get up to 20% of your money back before? Make I tell you about Vodafone's demo promo. See, anytime you recharge a demo, you get up to 20%, whether it be short code or your Vodafone cash wallet, or you
the Brutus Empire. Na any ezin romu kama pa fama na fenyi na be pimpa na nyamisha na de opebia emramu kama pa fama special one so ramu fama Emmanuel Owusu osebonsu na se enko ntimi fama ima na yoda no bibia under the year so no emfama na bi nkwa fama gifty entry ankama oro ni HMO ewo University of Ghana na jezeno geography ho na level 300 eno tineo odazo gifty special one nko ntimi emfama na bibia ended din so no na ntimi emfama na totie no enko ye Jennifer Abna Adesi Tabi orwani HMO ewo Amsterdam na tano so hono no yo no so no ebo modern eco school so happy birthday erom kama pa emfama Jenny na enayo da no totie no ended ye so no ntimi emfa ema na bibia enko kama na happy birthday so nko ntimi emfama Jennifer ni Dr. Rocky NSC enko emfama Jennifer na enayo da no nyamisha papa na enko anim ne hwede other ones na tentempa na Michael Akomiamra mameto aso na mboa na ne manko na afi bi nso nko emfama Joyce Echama or midwife student or oni chemo Garden City University College hona ni onso no obo ejuma so special one Remo emfama Adepa NSC ni enko intimi emfama Joyce na nema ended the year so emfama na ebinko emfama mia me ofa Matthew Donko Dudona Efrene Madoni mo ofa no di over ne nyamisha baba over Matthew na Benny Seduse Boatin zo video mo se enko emfama di over Eda ne be kasa na Rachel Boatin any or assistant superintendent of immigration okwe duma hona Rachel Boatin on di from someone special say enko emfama Rachel na ebi nko emfama Sandra Donko senior and Sandra Donko junior na jeza atani ata eni su omoda nyamisho omo papa na bibia nko etuma si Caleb ese enko entimi emfa emamo na bi nso no entimi enramo emfa ema Akosia Maya ne su ono so no ne dazo agozia happy birthday enko entimi emfama na nyame enhia papa and afi ama Sonia onso ne su ye Sonia so no onso oda so Sonia ne akwa yoda no Johnny de Baba esi enramu kama so no entimi emfama ye hwede other ones no na bi so nko emfama amazing from Dr. Rocky ozi amazing ne su oda onso nyame nhia papa na bibibia nende da mu kama so no entimi emfama ntie no the birthday special de babe run no mamenko nana komiaba na yenramu na yento so na ma entimi and meze abibia aboko de
Sabudia bibia de dedi
mate yenhwemu kakra ma onze missing Greenwood aba na yenidi din komo akra
yes abu mayenche tiefo ne nsa ma o makwa aba family so passport ni eni nkomo kakra yehwe missing good ne tintini ne tietiem the Manchester United akwakusi need the enti omugina so omo make these particular decisions, you know what have gone on behind the scenes when it comes to missing good in the situation. Na Abu Dhabi see bonnet tofa amobi be timi atiasia statement there screen news to be provided and abema the limelight of what it entails when it comes to Manchester United decision omo take with omo statement omo de babonte. Manchester United has concluded its internal investigation into the allegations made against Mason Greenwood. Our process commenced in February 2023 following all charges against Mason being dropped. Throughout, we have taken into account the wishes, rights and perspective of the alleged victim along with the club standards and values and sought to collate as much information and context as possible. This has required us to proceed with sensitivity and care to obtain evidence not in the public domain, including from those with direct knowledge of the case. Based on the evidence available to us, we have concluded that the material posted online did not provide a full picture and that Mason did not commit the offenses in respect of which he was originally charged. That said, as Mason publicly acknowledges today, he has made mistakes which he is taking responsibility for. All those involved, including Mason, recognize the difficulties with him recommencing his career at Manchester United. It has therefore been mutually agreed that it would be most appropriate for him to do so away from Old Trafford, and we will not work with Mason to we will now work with Mason to achieve that particular outcome. The ni na say Abu Dhabi omoji to me say asemi buy na asem ne buy no mo no club na nkasa so epe omo kwa ombefa so mo da yehwehwemu ebe hu say Mason good edi be manase odifo na nyoma na ekọ so na omo hwehwemu ni na no kowi ase say de nipa ehunu no wo monten so say ema Mason good edifo no nyoma bebre ka ho a a chiro mo se Mason Greenwood endifo e won semfo a omo de beto omo nim so omo so enhwehwe mu na omo gi tumi ye se e wo so omo boa ma Mason Greenwood the next step obeteku abrabo mu so be move to a different club so be bibia no omo no ne be ye ne nsako na nsaba no mato adwe no mo nko be fa so a omo be boa na obe free club ni mu anyoma betima koidi abo mo gi tumi ye pa se enya Manchester United no be sa hye ne hyebre na se e wo so ko hye ase o ba bi fufuro na ba bi o be hye ase no omo be boa no ama nyoma wo so omo ye bia no mo set mi aka but abu de wo ma attach ni na ne se ye nyina enim se Mason Greenwood ya charge ne dada for mbre bi a atwam you better say coercive behavior say obi say bi or shenipa or the force or person control na baba wa on tie attempt rape as or person show baba wa ne da any assault as physically assault verbal assault say obo no de ne seke kan no na so de na no ke kan se bi de den editi abayi wa no enu mu ne ye de sa charges ni abo na de ne kopie court na ehun adanse de ni nipa wo so odi animu ma ensem no mutimi dom sukọ etimi hunu na wie ko hunu fare ba no ana nipa no no di animu na nkasa call police for no call court for no say asem na me ana me de ye den me de ba nti asem ye san fanye de enfanto because evidence na muhia say enfan kan wo bia efa bibi legal test these particular kind of issues in the UK or who is evidence no provided cannot meet the standard of the legal test nti nyoma bi wo bia no yen drop so the charges were dropped. It would say Mason Greenwood in the statement or Tron and or say he has been cleared of all charges, which is not true legally. The charges were dropped different from cleared. Dropped the assembly and to asubi. Cleared the say yakoni na akwa seri and you asem no unkan bibian we found. It was dropped. Na no money drop here no Manchester United as a club no man timi anko straight and kasa Greenwood tranchen. Omo de no say so mo so be hwe omo hwehwe mu ahwe. No man who say Greenwood asem no odi bi manaso odifo but ade ekopie mu ni Abu Dhabi Manchester United starting investigation no omo anya ababa wane na ankasa nipa no mu ni di nkomo ya ababa wane maame iti when United information o munya aye nyina no was based on nipa mienu one Greenwood ni perspective and number two get on the maame eso side which means the evidence that was provided to the court na bi na maame na so ye dey epiapia de ma wo mo it's not mama for odidi bi say as a club now should have due diligence to the said matter when it comes to Mason Greenwood now Abu Dhabi sanhwehwemu ni twam wie no now last week Wednesday omo decide say omema and also mo dey omadwen cha na say bi omo yakwakosi bi abeba abonten and omo free club leaders ni na omo hia no mo ka say I plan say person dey Mason Greenwood decide dey eba na kwa betima fa so de ne beba na say anka me Richard Arnold me video dey aba abonten actually process am go through nyina be bedru say ni ama Mason Greenwood so ne wife so a video dey aba abonten abekire nsem ni say dey sititie den no mama na hya ase keten no owram kwa on be fa so mo ma ne nko commercial obi am koye commercial duties be as players in this annual man on be putting it away from public domain say they be obi interviews a lot of these things there were plans so someone be ton chain say they be Greenwood the reintegration and for pressure be amfanye dey emba omo kan asem ni wie ya na leakage kwa bonten and most of the staff ni bubufu yi say na nipa koye boni say yehu say emfa ne say na mo pese mo de ne ba so Arnold had to go around and make sure so betime buso bia na dream baako within the club and the staff to fully understand. A women's team require the name watch. E biji to me say Mason Greenwood dwumade na odi ne de bema emfa kwam. Na no club ne plan ne say o match journalism, o match football pundits, no match staff, no match nkofo bi. Ana o ma line o mo ab say obi a o ye supportive in it, obi onye supportive ni nyina o ma categorize it. It o mu nipa dodo na komo hunu kom be fa so me push the abana no so club staff ni bi so ko hu akire.
Oh, okay.
So the threat that was coming here says all the Mason Greenwood bar club staff ni bi so mbeko strike e bi kwampo so adwuma no mbejai football pundits ni journalists ni bi so mo akire so omo match embe ni interview da and some parliamentarians e bi mu supporting Manchester United they other through for kese omo supporting Manchester United ni nyina say omo the club ni twaka bia and some omo ye never say abusive domestic violence for no omo di achi no omo bo ase amafo benya justice no omo so kwaka ase da bi omo so mpene. It is our pressure na the bubba ya na club no still why not doing so the beba until season ticket holders of the club, supporters fan groups, send emails to the club pushing them say they need to resign their decision. It's on Friday evening there was an emergency meeting between Richard Arnold and the Manchester United executives. And Omu decided say Omu Mason Greenwood but the biggest decision Omu taking is a young turn and I see a loan no. Uti statement now it is not clear. Some Manchester United see Mason Greenwood on terminating the contract. They don't mean terminating here. On what legal grounds na Manchester United be so terminating Mason Greenwood contract? Because we are investigation no. Bibi actually so we innocent. So what are you standing on? to terminate the contract. There are legal issues attached to it in terms of terminating the contract. To mutually, no more club amano. Loan or corner say far, no matter nama sa club. Since club no subit me atoswa, no matter ne di nama sa club no. All it fact for any abrace or mopeno. Omoni na mechire di nkomo. Jose Mourinho nyanko de nebeba Roma. But these are prelims. It's not necessarily something that is deep. It may agree with the DNA. It is about the public court of public opinion that has pushed Mason Greenwood out of the club as it stands. But in terms of club, Nankasa investigations in Nyoma, the Mujitum so innocent. Boy Nankasa so innocent. So as it stands, Abu Mason Greenwood in Manchester United, this will be a fan coin. Na obi akone baby. Na no ho etimi etono. Then we move on quickly to Jeremy Doku. Abu Manchester City agree free with Rene 60 million euros. Now Jeremy Doku sika na Man City entry do na the first year. Obe sign 6 years, which means 5 + 1. Ombeche sika na busa years no so.
Oh, okay.
Na Manchester City dey twetwa na ina. This week oba be any medicals of Manchester City. Na watimi abono mo. Petrovic, Luther di kan akomudodo na dey am in terms of the contract no. It on move on. But Balogun Abu, there is something in and around the US national team that you people are not realizing. What's the deal here this season? Nankasa, I'm more trusting most of their key players and also players on money dome, so they'll get clubs to play, especially in top European clubs.
Yes.
It is from Pulisic to Tyler Adams, come push here, Chelsea for Kofa. Then I'm making sure say Timoria so a movie. I'm more here anymore say Balogun Subenya baby in AC because World Cup and they need their players in good shape and that particular global image of Muhiano for their players very key. Now you look at Todd Boehly and you look at Egbali. Who are US internationals or company in the US, all about US. Now they also have to play a role in making sure say players for their national teams libenya baby the agina. Iti asase na omo Tyler Adams no na nya by fluke. Na nim baby na man sa de kwakopio dan. Now hia attacker, hese Balogun. De ne be betimi aba looking at the form nya no French league last season. Iti Chelsea are pushing in every say komunya Balogun so mbesi akan fa mo akoma ni beji hu ye pa. Ba mo na konani abranti wedding komadu akiri. They kind of 42 million euros by Arsenal bought training. Arsenal so pay 50 million pounds. It is so scar. Now the beba no ba fa Florent Balogun. Now odina kwa kusi akadia mo by Chelsea enya prelims stock but ade woman here say agency no mo manage Romeo Lavia no. Omo na manage Balogun.
Oh, okay.
Agency no mo manage Romeo, omo na manage Balogun iti. Omo nam sa kwan na so na na mechi because they have a very good relationship with that particular agency. Chelsea is pushing through that particular agency. So omenya Balogun amane diaba. Ano peya Rodrigo Di Paul akwantu to Saudi Arabia na nya amaso. Deal no matwam. Keke kra. Ni nyina konfa bra na ye de a. Omo kan so mo pen ska na nkomo de be nkomo man 10 million euros a year. Na Atletico Madrid benya between 32 to 40 million euros a year. Na eno na otamfo no fe Scaloni, Argentina national team coach. No ni di nkomo no se papa. Saudi Arabia for discuss ya brem na yenye ne de no se da bi. Menye dey, menko tena. Ano saso ni Diego Simeone kwatena tidi nkomo na Simeone simi hia ho. Mepe wase mepe se me no ye adwuma. Iti menko. Eno na brante ne ba no kache Saudi Arabia for the sene tintini ni tietia. Minyam besi akai efamo. So the secret to Rodrigo Di Paul staying at Atletico de Madrid Scaloni and Diego Simeone and I convince brante na wojina. Na no pay any na mana Duvan Zapata. Esusu ni AS Roma. Abuna Duvan Zapata ni AS Roma deal no. Die tie ni. Initially AS Roma wanted him on loan with an obligation to buy for in and around 6 to 10 million euros, which na Atlanta ni nyong so metima say adwuma no. But now Oma pay up the bid loan with an obligation to buy in the crowd room crown, they will have to pay in and around 50 to 20 million euros for Duvan Zapata. So Ombesi akan fa mo nesis. Jose Mourinho pushy and is at the heart of it to get Duvan Zapata as soon as possible. Benjamin Pavard, there is an agreement between Inter Milan and the Bayern Munich principal. 25 million euros plus 5 million euros add-ons for Benjamin Pavard. But Bayern Munich catch almost say omun train na omun replacement ansa na Benjamin Pavard etime to kwan ababesi akan e de amaye Inter Milan. So Inter Milan is only waiting for the green light. See enya replacement na yenya no. Yenya ni wie ya afi unua besen ne kokosi akan e fa mo. Manchester City ne Calvin Phillips ne Liverpool. That means stories na Calvin Phillips ko Liverpool there be Manchester City is looking for a way out for Calvin Phillips. Omo person konko loan. Baby obenya nka heavy bia no ko onko prove the worth and come back. It is so timi ko na ne money timi ko gina so here. Then he always comes on. Muji 2 years say he's a quality midfielder, but he has not been consistent enough for them. And Kovacic kwaba and Kovacic ababe tu no and no free.
Calvin Phillips the NC mame. Why?
Yes.
Fair no see. You represent Asia. Why? Ti medase no your Michael come here Jenfina no. Ti mame call Bishop. atranse na me ne no ento aso kama pa bishop na bibia boko there
yeah we see
masa bana wa baba beto aso na mo Lucas Travel Consult here and Ken Charles and mama ya me baba obodini ye robeko akwa ma sundwe mu amane ma deda ye pray timi ye amane ye do ko no eya disua ejuma na afi so no mo amukosua de no yetime scholarship de mama na se ne tie Canada, USA, UK, France, Greece, baby tize Germany, Netherlands and Australia. Omomo de no de man ye de pa ne ze. Ezo ko efre ne omudi nkoma ahyase no, omba mo de no wakasa wuni sika kra na, ye be hyase abomoden process bibibia, etime ye amanti visa ne ba ya pe na watwe omusika etime ye amon ntie no, nkoma Lucas Travel Consult for area baba baze eboa manema dadin pa etimi edi ema wa mu nkomo no ye di ere remedy amantu dia no so be from ne o makasa 0534 543 210 0534 543 210 pomo atema Gulf City obomode na on say etimi akam ye ze ne ba ne passport birth certificate back statement ni na be na uhiambo bi o mahwe na o metimi abo na o ze Ghana ha omo ehian conform be bo modin ababa be ram na omo ne omo abo ejuma enti nei no ze ba ne se o ye marketing manager o ye sales person o ye receptionist and afu administrator o ye shop attendant and a house helper and a accountant form number no ne omo nkasa na be ne yetimi abo ama ne makoye makanze mattress no de so nde depa no e ba ko pe mu eden and that's why nyafi na machiye me ha Royal Foam Ghana Limited or Royal Foam mattress or Maria Baba Baze Sunday de a kono da so aso da epa enya fe na dwumi bia ba ababe rametimi ra ma no mo adwuma no mo bono omo na adika na nkofo di omachi omo product bia beto bia ye ma so nyepa ma da so fa adwempa eboa ma ba brabo papa ma no so no eso abape de mo dwuma de na no edinti omo bo mo de na 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award no omo ji gold award and the 20th anniversary of Otum Voice 82 the second enya no kon almost rama the 12th Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no yes ambo mo de mo award ni no open mattress papa me pacho a Royal Foam mattress in ramo area ma form number na for 0202 271000 0202 271000 Royal Foam rest assured na boa na ne ma dadin peramanti bishop ye ram na minim baby am na o de mefa
ya be die
ne aba
adwuma na mu aso so ne ewre na bibia ti makọ kama bibia obi a echa na bibia ntim konkan ni ji pa se oni etna no pay yeguso a yedi ebronya no World Athletics Championship no senia Luther King di kind 2 manim na enra day 3 ene day 4 na enra day 3 no hun sem na see na timu se no ma koso kama day 3 na ankasa ni Sunday was like this we read na ma see corner na say I mami Shelley Fraser Price now compete in the 100 meters final. 36-year-old pocket madam, a friend of pocket rocket. Now human no womb. Onya medals are race Munra. No, I bet the most decorated athlete ever in the history of the World Athletics Championship. Or the Bako Upper Usain Bolt one. Then no come on. One random. Enra schedule na nkasa ahwe mu a. Say na enra schedule no so esitie. It was a beautiful schedule of events. On a day, pole vault, 400 meters. For pole vault, no qualification. 400 meters hurdles, need who hit. 400 meters hurdles, semi-finals. You who triple jump, 110 meters hurdles, semi-final. And then the final, 100 meters semi-final. And then the final, 400 meters semi-final. Ntiano and the name say, "Imu a day pa nenya sem ketwa." Now, Obibeka say, let's look at the highlights of yesterday's wins. And Ramon winning in Tekakra.
World title. Lyles took the men's title. Richardson has stormed to the women's title.
In general, name say imu ede pa. Now to the individual activities. Send a baby bia a bit me a concainer and ija befie. Yan shall say the discuss through. Discuss. That's all time. Ne kama. More of us are community to be. Because Ottawa encore good. Nah, there be ultimate to be. Ultimate to be.
And in the size, no.
Ultimate to be.
And I'm saying, no.
Ultimate to be.
I know. Obia,
there was him in saying.
Obia know what to discuss our any height.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And me scarce to say, Nya Okano, and you say, Bia, Obunanim. But I'm here for discuss. You remember, Pa.
Ultimate to Sompa. And I could you know when they share so no. Daniel Stahl from Sweden. And a winning 2019 ono na winning discus throw no Doha and obe lusu to Slovenian Christian Che Oregon last year. This year Daniel Stoll ebai our winning, and you could see that Daniel Stoll did not just win nitro of 71.46 no mira a new championship record and your world record and your Olympic record. Nemum say about World Athletics Championship discuss through obi enu a to discuss no amanawa esin the one and only Daniel Stoll of Sweden. Uyemwa odikatoi ena Christian Che no defending champion ebetwa no the last row ano no ena Daniel Stoll ejemu say we and no ainisa utumu kese Christian Che no afi ono a usuniti because on so we adwuma no.
Yes.
Na I ain't send bebre. Now the good thing about this discuss through and say Daniel Stoll a championship record. Christian Che enya silver. Near Odi Ted no usapa. Now your friend Michaelis Alekna. Niema nasem sunkone say it's all bronze wa. Of Lithuania. I hear friend is a Vilnius mu. Ne papa de Virgilius Alekna. Ne papa ye 3 times Olympic champion. Discuss through mu. Inti obedi ni papa de anisa. Stoll wanyini Christian Che from Slovenia aba kwaku enche bia. Edin Michaelis Alekna in discuss through athletics no beti because oya kraketwa. Senye pra because ehonu ntimi nko lazy ne papa ho.
Yes.
Den wa beje baton. So betimi atwa ne papa de nyame nko anenim. But he has a lot of years ahead of him. 12 years 3 Olympics.
Yes.
So the Beyonce this boy could replicate his father's. If you on yes about track no so. Ye ba track no so no na nyoma ekoso kama 110 meters hurdles final. Na ye didn't na no Grant Holloway from US 1 2 3 Doha, Oregon, Budapest. The last 3 championship ni no Grant Holloway na winning. Na Grant Holloway winning we no hu so ye ne nsame say not the check camera no say waja to aso 3. Na the ema victory ye ne deck ese say nipa OBT no Hansel Parchment. Or your Olympic champion na OBT Grant Holloway Tokyo.
Oh, okay.
Na sa Mika we no ne da chesha akora bi a friend say Rashid Broadbell ne nsem or Jamaican. Omo to hit no otetoy. So he could not make the semi-final nor the final. But the future of this event is in the hands of Rashid Broadbell from Jamaica. But the present belonged to Grant Holloway. He nicknamed the Flamingo.
Yes.
Until the 12.96 no gave him the championship ahead of one teammate on any practice Daniel Roberts and then Hansel Parchment. Roberts and I saw trouser bako and a nika bako.
Yeah.
So America have a replacement for Grant Holloway in Daniel Roberts, but for Jamaica, Hansel Parchment will be around for the next championship. But the future for that belongs to Rashid Broadbell. In 110 meters, I was Mema, Yeriano, na Grant Holloway, 3-time champion. Wajatu also consecutive.
Yes.
2019 Qatar, 2022 Oregon, 2023 Budapest. Yanko back to the field events. Yanko long jump Memano. Now again, the present here, Yebeka wasem, near future no wasem, send be out dini be a chair, and young one. Nipa Mebeka no was a friend of Fabrics Hooks Zango, or your Burkina Faso ni, or te France, or your electrical engineer.
Or electrical engineer. Oh, okay.
2019, Doha, Unya bronze. Last year, Oregon, USA, Unya silver. This year was Budapest. We try Cuba for me, Martinez. Ababaji gold into a complete set.
I don't know. I've neither Oba winner. Nese will improve economy.
Sa pepe.
Or the economy, sir.
Sa pepe. Into Christian Napolis and Lazaro Martinez of Cuba. And they be second. Name the champion here. Hey, Burkina Faso, omo gold medal. Burkina Faso, Mosifo nya medal. Omunie. They are sure kama. You be bo the national anthem wo. Fabrice Zango. Why in the Juma? Until you are completely set, no, or medal BAB in the high long jump. Now, this is the present. Kweku, Nipa and Kobema the problem. If any Jaden Hibbert.
Yes.
With Jamaica. I failed all university first year.
But that crowd of vision,
he's that good.
Kweku
no lead no pride. Jaden Hibbert is that good.
Hibbert, yeah.
He is that good.
Well, but Munzana Luther born interview no cause or no sir. They are seeing you know they are said that when I'm a pay the womb neighbor. As anything be also serious.
Yeah, dear film. This is part of the Reniache Papa.
18 years.
He is that good. And Jamaica, aside sprint, no, they are shifting into the field. Mostly for your moment, I'm the coffee.
Sompa Sports.
Nambecha Republic, you name that Benya be tia train yame, Namibe, Nabibia Timia Conkan their mind. Mura, the event of the night, the close who are growing in Ano, was the 100 meters final. Na Iri and Shakari Richardson are winning. Na Ocean near course of semi-final no more. Nobody gave her the chance. Kwaku to 10.65 seconds for the 100 meters. A championship record for the 23-year-old. The first time at the World Championship ni. The first time at the major world event ni.
Wow.
Now Oteki off no by 50 seconds no akem. Inti Sherika Jackson the favorite. On him Jose Marie Talu. They were coasting. Kwaku young and Shakai free lane 9. Sherika Jackson were
Sports.
But that was a flawless last 50 meters. First 50, no, the start was poor. But the last 50 was typical Shakari. Kwaku, she is that good. She is that good. Mama say a world champion in her own right. No a catchy. No a catchy, but look, she really powered her way through. Na ya idea on the coach, her friend said Dennis Mitchell. Or much of that Tinasi until after the race. No only Dennis Mitchell the coach no almost your Edin Komo. Dennis Mitchell coach no was embracing the girl. Just say only the coach na can boom den they were na sia na enije. Because this is their plan. So that no matter the situation, on pushy the last 50, even in the semi-final, okay. But she found a winning power. And it was beautiful. Here was on Shellyan Fraser Price. Omujina wa no mo bon komo kama na bibia nim kama. But I mean she deserves her glory. And she be no cover we my eche no so be kaya. Ntinane e be bon about so ya dey pa. But a lot of credit must go to Dennis Mitchell. Dennis Mitchell. Yeah. Absolutely.
He's a world champion.
Dennis Mitchell.
Yes.
No, so we have a picture of Mitchell and the lady.
Yes.
But it was beautiful. It was that beautiful. It was.
Wow.
So baby ordinary Bruno. It was great. Kweku. Nano and Chebia ni hu say nka Netherlands echo when gold.
Yeah.
And a Femca ball at top form. Na Femca ball top form na ya rehosem. That was day 1. Yes, na Femca ball kra dey nesi. O top form na rehoaba Femca ball at top form o ye be den yo Femca ball at top form o
Sompa Sports.
Jene ye nyina ye hwe ni mu ne say Femca ball reaction ben na odebema. Femca ball, what reaction would she give? The reaction ne say if you say Mikasha see in heat 400 meters hurdles no obi enu a watu time no two nra ni bi. Picture na buy answer na we ba no who say na onam hurdle no so if you see it again kwaku to 50.32 seconds ne buofu
ne bu
na nneoma ekwan na da o mo nneoma ka ne ntem no
ewa
so the say ewura final no ma
asebesi
the world record could come down enra you to 400 meters hurdles mema we off record Jeff Jamaica for no friend Roshan Clark on the right Benjamin Dos Santos Brazil, you know.
Santos is solid.
And then the main man himself, Casting Varom, they will bring the world record down. It's so obvious because Varom no more good at Right Benjamin is a solid guy. Even on the 400 flat or a solid. We headers in the 400 flat no hiding. Roshan Clark no L under 20 record in 400 meters hurdles. Now no time with 2 years. And then Alison Dos Santos. Or Omunyina be pushing. And Sami Kano be decided in the last 150.
Yo mate, ocha, my name is Obersan Bana or the update Audona Baba Berabtino, Bana at the World Athletic Championship because of Budapest. Bishop Babe Transisiana Oruro Mumati Adenasi Babozo. Rena family and I'm in demon comedy di camera. Namen Nama Hong Cobra. Why? Rena family.
Well, me studied me chair a chief on the chef on you. Mamisha here from Infantino, Mawa Cup Nabash Abaye. There are a lot of reviews. But yeah, one of them is starting today. Now, Cremoma Infantino on a Mawa Cup novel say one is the best that have been hosted by New Zealand and Australia. Secondly, it's also the most successful, according to him. Bamati.
What we have seen so far, and the best is still to come, is just simply the best and greatest and biggest FIFA Women's World Cup ever. And we did it.
Now, that is the FIFA president speaking. Look, in fact, France 2019, not sure near Australia and New Zealand. Difference in terms of one attendance. For the first time in the history of FIFA, about 2 million tickets were sold. Not sure an average of 35,000 fans per game. Where you are looking at member games all over Europe, attendance.
Yes.
But these two nations showcase quality of one promotion, strategic advertisement into entice people Sompa Stadium. And they did it so well. School call that discounty ticket price more and the LOC will pay for. So ABM France you person was for bra. So ticket 100, I bet you 50 amount then the LOC no at you 50. 2000 is okay, I get more under 20.
Under 20, yeah.
Canada did the same thing.
Yes.
So there's that is what way more master and they've really done it very well. Now, Sewanya $570 million as revenue generated from this event. Then you understand why $70 million as revenue of FIFA anya every way more. Obetia say the entire Infantino Becca best beyond outside the facilities. Stadium standard was Ropano.
Yes.
You will say best because one, the park Benina taking over the stadium. And then other Munyeska, $570 million. Never in the women football before. $570 million revenue generated from her. Now that is why he would then say that. Now, or proceeding can say, Ceciano, ye work but idea ebe hiano paye momentum. Ye work up no. Ye beja mabobo no honuma na say ye betwaso. Anamo eso biatu. I be ma mabobo na bejina. Ye ntwen say next 4 years. 2027 years am be kwa ansana ya be kasa o. Say bi o mabobo kra no afa ne say ye san static wasem. So oma asudie e ma nkrofo bi ye kan ho.
Agency, the UN agencies who have been very, very helpful to us in this World Cup, participating with us. We need the governments, we need the institutions to create dedicated spaces for women.
Okay, one abang. So they be comes football and sports. Intimacy that say obey without a buying involvement. Or see a bay here sa buying on my car by national team aqua by a so into tia so ye any member associate federation by or ya buying or ye federation because as a buying federation a can boom. Tia Black Queen see say be almost sick as them on bobo maidens sick as them on bobo nebia on call qualify on bobo pedion nema and we are buying said coach ni technical staff management FA said here. And so New York can say, my mbambe kase, ye buy a betiada, nemo yen twaso and make sure say mabo bobe tumpon. And okay, member association, thank God on the control member association. Or the member association, no, there will be a congress. I will make sure say or catch will be a say henceforth a ba mabo boa krata semni niamano embane hoshushu as compared to first. Because of said neni enko more. And also by a sign will be a no special sankratan, especially from Omo Jumanes here. Then beyond that, Oba Zenjovo, or see, except my ball, no, you create space for it, and let's continuously discuss why a marble baby do not see a page a quiet fast why more than before, and then sponsors because they are very critical to this. Now, Ashra, yeah, sponsor between now they in women football.
Yes.
So and then other sponsors are getting into women footballer, but then you know, how we are going to push it because it's the media that drive those things. For the sponsors to be attracted to, I didn't say one except fata and faso society. The shema, yen asebi omo yeah sponsors ebenya de ebenya mu faso. Now, at the back one this your work up also person to us we have to do the participation fees not the man and see that.
Yes.
Say you call work up mania $30,000 group stage. We call round of system $60,000 now. And one of the very significant thing about this year World Cup, Osha, and our screen so on say Spain man will be $270,000 each.
$270,000.
England from Benya 195 years.
Oh,
each.
okay.
First, that's never happened before. Now it's also because and now more matua or the $152 million and this year World Cup no more. $152 million. Member association, so this is where we are Ghana FA name. So when you bring Mabo, member association, yeah, $110 million. Like Ghana FA, that's what we call member association, which is a multiplier from 30 million in France 2019. One governor, 80 million.
Yes.
So it means that we would near now country qualify called Mabo.
Scabi Braba.
So it means that we must now Ghana, we must take it a step higher than we are doing now, because in Faswana, air free to sell one girls. No, can you imagine say Ghanaian girls equal work out no be anya with the financial groups take any free match. If each family is getting $10,000, with the Ghana a tax a tip from the financial 25,000. Eco fee be do you know what is going to happen? So they say now Osha work up with what double preparatory fees like here call work up here prepare no. So they say now our double preparatory fees from $8 to $11 million. That's just France.
Oh, prepare.
Say like my man also acquire 2 million. Say about 2 million.
Yeah.
Say if I prepare coke. Now a man also have that, and that's been increased.
Also. My boy has this can it's
getting there with little time or more. Esha see bay any compared to Niema YSCC clearly. In my ball in the next 20 years. Might be rivaling Mema, not the quality of play, but in terms of sponsorship, driving, spectating, ever rival.
But we don't qualify Kojis Cabra FIFA.
That is exactly what he's doing. And or can send yes in Crawford did not see Bonnie. Or can about the fact that ma convincing omo Mema no. Na the doors, ne we be any doors, upia FIFA doors, upia. Okay.
So, you know, I have 4 daughters, so I have a few at home. I say to all the women that you have the power to change. Pick the right battles. Pick the right fights. You have the power to change. You have the power to.
Honor because still in context. Yes, in my boy catch ya share every baby. Me, in fact, in the history of FIFA president be no one man ma bobo a peja chenwe. Okay, Makara is the best FIFA president ever. But you get to understand when you follow what he's doing. And on or yet obey the last person or can say and quite but context. First of all, New York can say my boy do baby, but the man will be Fatima no one is getting I ain't chop a so koi. Oh to me, I thought the beer. Mr. President, last so can my will. Tumuko 20. A man are more to me, Asha Johansson, a member of the Executive Council of FIFA, who call Free Africa. And yes, he will be doing some, but at the end of the day, no, say no betty me or yeah, dear, but more piano kai noa. So they are here. Then he will be forced to do more. Context now can something you know. I have fun and no see bonino. And one of the things our channel will be looking at the legacy of this particular World Cup a lot of top legacy. And until now, we say the Australian Minister for Youth and Sports, I can say, almost Australia there, World Cup up your money. Now, the next thing they're going to do is that they are going to invest $15 million into Marbobo.
Football changes lives. Matilda's 20-year-old Mary Fowler grew up near the top of Australia, sleeping in cars. She learnt to kick a football on the local beach. Mary now plays for Man City. Mary is now a World Cup goal scorer in a team that has inspired a nation. Football has created generational change for her family.
So, Australia said, "You can't amay papa what we are here." Abu, on my way one show here, I don't think the Becas will come America.
Australia.
I'm telling you the truth. Look, one of the countries Sebi air develop and more than Australia. It be Canada so Australia. Omo baby. A chrono see a fair beach a beach a DNCC. Omo baby. A chrono so kama. Na ma does che member. Ewo kremu. Tiana Bema Bema na difficult because I now call shop about me. Hi, you look on black guys. Hello, black guys.
Oh no. I'm man does pa
che member.
Sa.
Two bano be yeah.
Do check ya Bema ba could be okron with me.
Abama 3.5 4 because yes. O man does or two super or shop cry.
Sa.
Yeah, especially a black car. So I believe it's a black more fire poundy.
Oh, okay.
Omo ye jumani ye ha. So
Omunya hu bibi ni bi omuza na weden. E won pam.
Yeah.
Eze de se fata no. Ezisi mu eden. Edi ebetimi aya ya. Abo bim nation e be say carry o. Ade na ye de adwene.
Oba bi ka wasem.
Abozo abaw. Da bi na kramo wi ase ade bi e de adwene.
But town is Sweden used to have that.
Yeah, but now it's been
Yes.
infiltrated back.
Uwa. Ubema. Most of who for such a bia. About a democrat, some democrat be Sweden used to do that.
I don't call Obama. Aye.
Yes. To call Obama, we picks up. Australia has that. Now, my middle person said, look, World Cup, some will see my World Cup. Now they share a corona. They share corona crab. Look, it's one of the countries. Unya no kwa. Super forget America. And to see World Cup. Ama ono a minister kra bie ne ne say e man no e some discussion more than omo ye no and as some abusuafo bebre bigger and better opportunities am members of the team no and on minor Australia no enkambo ma e dia ba on no is incredible now enunti $50 million do mo kwa share ma bobo mo
wow
to so imagine wow share name on ye so here imagine say the next 4 years, what Australia will be like, the next generation of Australian female players, so that is one of the legacies. Almost 30 years, I'll come and talk about the legacies that the World Cup had left for them. For a country like Morocco, once the World Cup expanded from 24 to 32.
Yes.
And first of all, Infantino were justified or not justified? That's the question you ask. Senkovo did not attempt. For England for a any wills for say him now so Philippine say
We decided to increase the number of participating teams to the World Cup from 24 in France to 32 now. And I remember when we decided to do that, of course, the usual critics, which are less and less, by the way.
Look, this man, what develop thick skin. Wait, only organ. What develop thick skin? See, why you can't your phone na?
Only a
because of near UK for, and the UK thing has to do World Cup on losing.
I don't think I'm on
pen assembly and also I'm losing World Cup. What's right? Or buy no, or so be investigating. And then near Russia host here.
Yes,
and
2018 there.
Until your combine. The BIA fine, and all kinds of the World Cup will go ahead. Ready, New Year, no, and the plane only took one calculate hours or there. But the person can say, "See, increase World Cup na Morocco ko biya na."
Baby,
Philippine, come baby,
game home.
Panama. At least Morocco, you saw Portugal, what Portugal exhibited.
Yeah.
Vietnam. Ka country where Vietnam or my numbers me on
Haiti mono.
Almost Haiti, sorry I say. Even though Haiti almost very good players in the French league, no, but the platform say Haiti bomb my World Cup. So any the Biana sometime udi year unjomo more femu. That's the criticism he's talking about. Almost England for almost the year, almost how. But for countries like this, the World Cup means so much to them. And you be cry.
Abonzo mate me danse umrenaso ma me hwe na me ndi dwa kamera umrenaso danka me hwe se me din komoni ade a da abonzo ze na kaze bo ze
oye boss wa ante
bi oze me wan Argentina
for time in Diagro
ana jeze
players no dos
Argentina wa jeze
we okay because yet me can but still most Australia
na make catch am say Cremo cost to January
why
come on Wow, crabo. Aye. I got what they are crabbing seven good elements and a passport teacher crew leave you.
Oh, they didn't know we
just all bass or the babu with you.
Who the woman
now that I've been agent to the come and really pay passport teacher crew leave.
The boy did the passport and come Australia buy a commission. Also Tiaze.
Olo kwa commission o.
Hey, na dey na me koye. Hey. Yes, can talk to Kamola.
Eh, there's a long jime 10 years awali pay.
O si bien.
No, as I can see a crap about for Bukraya Siani, Yababu made a more Roxy, travels my cancer, ne, Obezo to Kankoku, Jimmy Sian, dear, Nani Amadida ye pedamana, football, no suit me bobo ye pa, a Roxy also a reform on Ansonia Bois, na itimi Edeo corner senator, yes in the US in a Babu work permit, Titimera Mantia Cheche for no, Yamamoko child, they were hot na fi Canada, and our UK son head workers in the Mokoso factory job no, Ebu Abacaco Bridge, Australia, Zerana, Apostle di unkomo no e bia ba ko a okwa ne obetra we ribeje pa Roxy do beko akwa corona na ma ko ye pe timi e dia ma o e eze e ba ne ze ne drivers no cleaners no ye security personnel ye do Ramo Bahamas ne Ben Florida o US ntino o wa akwanya so okoku Roma obre na wetimi abojuma ma ne ma ko ye pa etimi e dia ma na fi car wash no any factory job New Zealand so ne do Ram Schengen state no ye betimi abo na age Schengen visa e dia ma bebi ze Germany France Holland na fi Italy e dia ma ho na take visa no ye je de mama factory job no obetimi akwa e wo ho ene Israel na ye penani no e obi a akwa eze ne okofie no akwa hwehwe nkwada omadidie mu ene soro obesi aboa ma setena no awie pe no eno so kwanda mu abenia se ye betimi de wawra mu ene eze bebi ti se Serbia ne hanga yiso no ye ro kwa factory job no na akọ etimi akwa ye ena afi so Kazakhstan ye pa omo chade amoma akwa chade o so factory job ni bi ho enyo onko baby dize Dubai, Qatar, and Africa, Kuwait, and Sierra Leone footballers here linkemo to teams bi mu UK a mobo modern ko kukusia ball no man ma koye permani na beba e Roxy Travels na Japan na wetimi e de ram na afi so no yezi baby dize China, Canada, Belarus, and US so no ye boa etimi eje scholarship de mamako e kukusia de ho no meba ne take it bookings no and a reservation e be de amana private jet rentals no ye de ram etimi e de ama birth certificate no se passport no eno so ye be na yetimi abo anti-form na mano na ne omonkasa 025 777 6730 025 777 6730 and a 055 76 907 375 055 7607 375 Opomo Kumasi Asafo VIP station go home touch no obenyo omo na crack so CP Ultimate Methodist Church no yo omo to omo one kind no number in the 024 4613 237 024 4613 237 yambo na ma de din pa enfama 21st can examen Jose Nebra be romo maso ye na ye be boa na opom de na wie paper omo ye expecting Siatica the whole world the whole Africa bibia ya bom abaso a omo bom de ajejeje awo Saudi na Siatica no ene ze what transia ma usisi utu asinti no twetwenwa akwa romo na na chu bebi so ahwe entu anamo a dabi no o baba bebubu ma na say bia wo na akọ na ebi etimi asofie nti ozo hwe na utimi tu anamọ no na ebo na hyehyɛ no koyie pa etimi eremanti mu amu ama no no wa ye adwumaden na ma to asinti na twetwe wa bia ba kopa ye bre ne ma undro biduro na wagia na so pa no omo ye expecting sciatic 21st clinic ye ze ne ya ye bia fruity so eba nya ba besu na ase no okọ ebre ne abo etimi aso ano na so no watimi enya ahoden de tie ne se omo lab akwa ebedu so ne ya bibia ye ne hye scan services no omo bo mo de etimi Friday bia wa ye adwuma na wi ana otwe no kwa akwadwo ame no kọ na ye ma special massage ya miemia wa ma moja ni die fusane no na ye de machine treatment no asa ka wo ndwuma pa mo bonti Ghana mo 15 branches a eye adwuma bo ma na makoye pere mo kuma so po mo a anwe overseas junction mo be na for radio bo ase cancel cortes call junction be nyoma crowd do me market on second baby ti se sunwane nkranza na fe techiman omo ye adwuma ntura form na ma no ne omo nkasa mpeso ano so no ofrepe ye betro bibi abekona gbakwa akwadwo aya isa 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 to 21st connect free na ka how na ya oton ya so a na anya no aduro ni ahwe na ya boa mane makoye pera ma messages ne kakra na madam Douglas Costa nice presentation Luther Ken fire emojis no etimi era mu kama pa na manza mu akure Raymond wonderful presentation and analysis Raymond ne de odeba e babira na ba for heat na fire emojis no era na no usu achia Bruno did this United last match minim Adam Crocker but emeze Bruno Comodian Ramwa Paul Nsia nice presentation Maestro GH Marishu Sign Greenwood this guy is super talented Kofi Wayo Richmond homie what a presentation Maestro GH once again if they knew they won't let him play again why should they waste his time during this 6-month period one of the Maza as them with the episode to me we mama me show Kroma 700 Daniel debia Bishop Kachem zone ye ni abuziapan ze na abuziapan ko patro mame oh yeah yereza nana pia noche watch you live from Agono Chrome border to Cote d'Ivoire ye chiamo pa young ni chopper need an update on McAllister red card Bishop who be before one McAllister and red card appeal na Liverpool yeah
my appeal I mean they are here to hear from the FA but how's the referee nanko we are
sa
of course oh yeah, you should. Well, man, sana. Might be required for a lot of things to happen.
Mate, Richard Duku, Nadia some passports could keep up the good work, and I'm enjoying your show live from Sompa, the Araso #1, German North District. Update me on Kylian Mbappe. Steven Yami, good morning, Sompa TV, fantastic sports. You guys are doing a great job. My name is Basi Steven. I'm watching live from Akim Akutia. Update me on FC Barcelona. 26 August is my birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday in advance, bro. Pedro Maldini Cruz watching the best sports show live and clear inside Indianapolis, Kumasi, town also Kesben Junction, and the main location. Keep up the good work. Alkaline Didan GH. I'm watching live from our Winchibe Poso. Some passport, you are the best from our Alkaline. Steven, need your deba Ebabirano Starboy. I'm joining the show live and clear at our Fumbim Airport. Some passport, no size. Adai Emmanuel. Watch you live. And I'm more update on Real Madrid, MZN Ababi Rampoinsia. Doku, Jeremy Doku, 55 million is good. Ghana is now making it. Jeremy Doku, all Kokra Ghana, Ghana knew, but I was on a Ghana near the because that Doku Nim Kakafalo.
Mama, boy, and queer baby. Hey, I was in Doku.
Amuzu ni ball no pa. That was Ukromo zo mo dey afa ma na afa ba gazo beba. O tin wa them.
O da bi.
O mo zo mo na didi nkoma ma na je to. Ma na confirm it. We go ma tell I'm going to do come out quick ball blasters boss them amendam why amendam bra.
Hey, you ever buy credits where you get up to 20% of your money back before?
madam Roma mo am won kra de bia ne nyamo yentimi ntie mo yentimi nyabia
omunkope bi nto
isi ade yesre mo am nkope bi nto madam Roma mo nkope bi nto na muntie nti so won kran zabzugu manson o bibi bia ni ho itu o tatale
Kagwa from
o tongo
mitiba so msisi ya o
obeti ai
binduri kan karaga kan
sa
gushegu kan
bishop one meze amunya ntobase ade no try na ye try lo won kran ni kumase etie ya bibia to tumu ya ntobase wa ila
ya kan ye kura
ye na tatale
nese la pass for no
omudem tam kaso awdem bisho ase ho no advantage sport ase ho no munyina mo kan bi fanati nene any football republic yes adi be see
nene komo opadi za prepare tie che ye bo modena winner bidwama so na manya bi tiri star run ye baba be yusu DAB no ene ye digital audio broadcasting abwa na ne ma deda ye kama pa etimi edi amama na so rot ye game park limited omujuma omobona no edempa na pick 4 no guso koso di no for mobile phone na wabo modern Eramo Play Store ako download the game park games app no mami chechu mu kakra 029 number say the ababe hwemu ayi4 uyi4 na wahwe na aboa amantutu na koye kama pa etimi edi amana de man komo na ye denese o pick 4 no na akokutwa na odi ayi sika bibre omo osomoso yo ba ku be friend street ni na ze where you 1 2 3 4 na ekoko bossa no so dem dada ebo na skasem no akoyi kama pa etimi edi amante akrade a nkofo guso omo de no draw na yetwi ne premiensa de di kan no ye ya de a ewroma no pa no nkono na cheze wi ade ne 12 pm enwuma ne 6 pm ni nyina e live on Adum TV na abo amane ma da ye pa etimi amante game park limited no ramuna ya mo amane ma da di ukita mobile phone network bia use bia no the man is simple ni obeda star 946 hash star 946 hash ubonse do be ramo pick 4 beba ye wo straight to mu and afi oba kumi so akase numbers no de be appear do no and also rambo amantoto ne koye etimi element ramu na bo amane man koye enele for ajoma tumtu anye dum fie dum wotwe a wo akonya so be che wadwen da fa na nema adaye pre etimi edi amana maka 52 estate construction limited nei emfasika no nkoma wo fa na ni ndibiem o amono ne o bre wanyeska o de ama ofa na ne wa dia two passase o pefie wo kumase ne nkran a 52 estate construction limited mo ene be ne aboa na wagina wo na so pa na ne makuira ma ze star run no obo modern na utimi kokoto asase na zempu no akwakwa ese half plot na out of full no omobo modern ade de bo su no ne se ye ma 20 bags of cement o ze star run kra no kwa ska no tim 50% na de aka no watwa na kakra two passase won kan ni kumase a 52 estate construction limited o mejuma omobo no ano edin dinosaur per se renovate ebe na ya ye timi da man two penchemu bia number ni 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525-797 0531 525-797 yambwa nyana man dadin pen fama opo mo nkan Kesema Junction Gempa Chimota Road Kovme Plaza abenyo mo Kumase page 4 Antwa Kwano so unyo mo 52.com tentan videos wan ujuma po mo di Facebook Instagram na TikTok nembwa nana man ko ye pen fama men kona simadu meaning komo FMF Anida so Heba Clinic o maso ye na yehwe di omo we de ma izanze ne juma di omo nso di no ano edempa obengazi akwaba
Mejosu abu
na bibia hye ye de na Anida so Heba Clinic ejuma nso de mu ye bi pa
Anida so homo bia
sa pepepe di ma me Dr. Frimpong eni nkomo simadu na ene doc anka sa ramai ya ha no die nyina to atwa doc na se na sitie
me da se edi kan metia mechia etiefo nyinara Anida so Heba Clinic ye de dwumadi ayi dimu tintima pa ye eni
oh okay
eni ye de ani de ye maspers and I am fedrongu ye so eni yenye surgery bia Bible crackers ye ni aduaba ne mfa haba ne nsayare nim de ode ma ye no enumu ena ye nam so a ye de esayare ye de ye dura wo no makọ nipaduam na sima kakra bia kwa be wani ne so adwuma e de ama eno ene ye ya de na mebe BBC na e ma reho kakra because me hwe na mate ni bi ne papa bi kanim o man is kanu bi say meba we say o say da we ye 5 series o say hu na de o say da bi o mani be frade anka masonsi na ara hu bebrebe fi say mibisa mo say adenti and was say basa and that's why her backlink yes say uni peduani mu ya eni kwan se wani ewu na emom se wani nsa ye condemn kra dia ne de ni hu asem bi ebetumi aka ye mama betwa wontro ye ntumi enya ho ehwe na emom no se oba na ye dimfidie ni hwe wani ni so ehwe woni ehwe bibia na sa ho odin kakra bi kra wo ma o 1% kra na eni da so ewo ho ema wow enti edi kan ma memfa numbers na entudwa na ebia na obi person fra na oni yen edi enkomo 0559
0559
90
12
34 0559 90 12 34 and 0596 19 88 84 0596 19 88 84 so wo hwehwe eni da so he back clinic asante mantem ha no mu de ye wo kwada so estate ye ne estate park no ene bo ho pepepe
okay
ubehun sabro san fefe kama e wo high painting green and white ya sheye eno no ti se wo firi sunwane kwan so ena eba wo de wo ka che usi osofulaya biso bia se ope patasika
okay
se esi ofra ka che mate ni se ubesi e wo brother man obesi wa brother man osi wa frɛ number sɛ dia tudwa no so ofri obo ase kwan so na eba odru santa ase a oso pe kai ko so for life ɔno nso otina mu a ka kyɛn sɛ obesi wa brother man junction osi wa no frɛ numbers na dia tudwa ba bi hia na ye de wa ba ya so ye ho na wade sonko ne sɛ eni da so wɔ herbal clinic oba ya so ye ya enye so fitin ya na ye ma wodro da bi ye nya abutre ye nhwehwemu mapa ehunu sɛ when yare we edin na de bai ye wonyo ma bebre ba edi eni yare eba edin ena de baye eye koko eye stroke hypertension oba ne bema enanhia manase be infections bi ena ede baye ana se all the air pressure ena ede baye wako hospital yesi glaucoma ena wani so yesi ete ena wani so saa neoma we say ene ye free bi diabetic retinopathy
okay
saa how we say tumi ma wani efra kra
saa how no
saa how e nine etumi ma wani efra kra enti obi wo no ma na otie me na wakɔ hospital me aka kyɛ ne sɛ ɛtɛ esinani so ne ɛbɛn ne surgery enti osuro ɛbrɛ ni nie tutu anamɔ ne bra ɛnida so wɔ herbal clinic asoɛ na hɔ de oba yɛ de abotre kasade ne nkyerɛkyerɛ yɛbɛkyerɛ mu ɛbɛhu adeɛ kɔkɔfa ha no ɛde baayɛ ɛne baabi a ɛnsunsuanso a mfanse bi yɛde aba baabi a ɛkɔ because ɛni no ɛno ɛne yɛn kanea ɛbɛyɛ den ana ebeye areho bebre so obi ba beka say nipa na me hu so obi ba na obi tiwo se me ba ya wa dress kama kama ne me brata ma dress kama kama na me ka say me hu se obi tiwo so me hu na ni
areho
bebre
yaso
ana se obi ba na nipa na oba na me hu na chirichira me hu na ni ba me hu so obi ba obi bo gata atra ketewa bi o nti so twene na mu tententen obi ono mo se me hwa ade me hu ni ye ebia me ntumi hwe awia ana kane atomani so a na me bre ana se pressure ena o mani so enti ama se mani so ehyehye me that sorry anopa no mani amumu a etwa nkyene bebrebe prunsuo wani na ekokoko wo de se wani ni etise biara mema wabamumbu tutu wanamo ne bra enidaso ho herbal clinic yasoye oba ye de Christosum de eye yende kra no ye de radidin na hyase oba ye bo radidin chiro ma hunu sampa ena me rade so ne ebie sa adwuma ko we se nti so oba yasoye a ye de mfidie mapa ehwehwe wani ne so uni paduani ehunu ade ekokofa ehaw ne baaye se yetiche yare a ye ntu ase e normalize no ema ne ba form ema won so no wani no eso ebeto say ye moja bro so nso a eno so ye hunu de ebeye enye say bia otie oya ana wani yo ya ba ya ne ama wani edu ye nya ne sa o si nya abotre ne ye nhwehwemu ansana ye hunu be bia ye betumi aboa we fa nti ma me sanfa numbers ne nsan tudwa e bia na afe no obi nso abawa tenase na otie anase ohwe yen 0559
0559
90
12
34 0559 90 34 and 0596 19 88 84 0596
19
88
88
84
84.
It is a shayen a free a crown swa and an crown swa. There were Tabora Alaji Walako Junction.
Oh, okay.
Tabora Alaji Walako Junction. Takradin so Fijai Road. Yene Porter Girls Senior High. A hono by so obehunu yen. Hwe ye tu imra na ya kyerɛsie. Obi ekɔ konfanoche ekɔ kokwa we say edibai. Saadi we ya ye okotwa edibai. Now no questions enye ono nko a edoso ti say obehwa osimisro we teacher ni obi e teacher ni bi won so mu free abrochire e na aba one ne ma the report we aba na ya ka chon so omugidi a omugidi ebeje omonkwa ye no motonchia yen say mema mo enhamo ebi abosumi ba kwa na abosumi mienu bo nse omankasa e di adanse e na eba nti so ba ya so ye ho ma ye ni adura ye di ema odi agu wani so ye ni saa di ni bi wo ho ye di ya ebibido kan a wonnoma kɔ ni peduam na akwakoye wani ni so adwuma sima kakra bi nti se wani no so na hyehyew ebo na esi wani so eyete na esi so yesi pressure wani so yesi glaucoma yesi broni etani medical kan broni ya kase cataract ana wo hwade a wo ni ye aye wo se bia wo hwade wo ni mienu wo be hwade a gese wo de kwa akire pa obi wono mo so a gese wo de ben no wo mia na ni sei ansa wani ne no a fitting bibi white baba bi si wani tuntum ne so anase wani kala nankasa esesa aye kokoko eden wani na se aye condemn nko ade a yentumi enye ho hwe na emum no se ye nimfidie nhwe na hoɔden 1% kra ma ya na obetonchia na wahunu se ye wo eduro ena ye wo eduro eni da so he back clinic ye de se ya ba e de ama Ghana man ene asanteman ene ewiase fi se ebritiemu se wo hwe adanse stronko a e ba ya so ye ho no ma e se wani na ense wo ka kire nti wa wutie me no obebisa me se doctor na eni yare nko na mo ye eho adwuma na da bi na emum de dodo na anim yen se enim ye no no eni eho adwuma ti se wo asiche yare se ye stroke halitosis and as a bien enum e wonka e pressure e hypertension diabetes e stroke and as oba or power and as oba wanya fibroid and as bia bema ontumi enene on ho kani enhia and as bia otutuo nenso entumi enkumaboa e how be ene wo so tutu anamo ne bra ade a yenim ye ene etwere edam ne beyie eno de oba ya so
ya ndi ho dwuma
ena ba ko bi kan ba ndi mintimi nka no ha
sa
ba ko bi kan ya eni se me bra ta be boa mi
a be awa huelo wa huelo ebe lo kukrukula kaza be kwa wetibi asa ene ya le de wo kakra wa na
ya de wo o ya magbodi o
be ama huelo ba ta etimi nka wa se
e so ba ni da so he back clinic ade enimu ya nkasa no yetumi eka ye ma omre a ebe de be ma ye betuma aka kyese na otwe ana na otwe na abosome ema eno ne enhaw ana se ma bibia enhaw emfa wani yare ho wo de adragu wani so ama wo hu no hwe ema ne enhaw waso ansuo waso ansa afi na babehwe de emu oduro mesre se wo a wutie mi ana wo a wo hwe me ene anopei wani yare ne etisei aye odadwene obi won was many yare de eno ana bekumie obi won ma pages kakakraka e de acquire sabia bebrebe nanso onhunu eho moye papa bia ebreni ni so beba eni da so he back clinic yan die ye de si akoma so se afin kwawiye na omo mababa ya so ye nyinara omo ba ye ene omo eba enyina omo ani yare no na Awurade nam ye so asa obi bia e yare ti me sade numbers ne atu
look you have got on yanko
0559
0559
90
12
34 0559 90 12 34 and 0596 19 88 84 0596 19 8884
Doc
answer me so wait 5 seconds me am chia me ankasa me soft Apostle Daniel Atta JB House of Jacob Chapel overseer
Mate
papa baby obi oba machiao
me da se pa
etia kwabena utie mi a opamade o welcome opposite ya nyame insha
Mate nyame sha pa de no ye Dr. Frimpong se rotie no omudini omo hona ne se ebana ni ayo mo demfo a tiko na koje waya isa anida so ho heba clinic omo na be na ya boana na ma koye pere amana amere na membobo nsem no so a ne ndidi komo no a ena e ka cho se Alisa Hotel ne ma da di ma vet no etimi ewura mu na vet ne call so no after say ne ma koye bibia koye no 30 years okraku ono ye the Ghana Football Association president din komo akra ne nsem no se no obo de tuja.
We've just gone through our vetting. The vetting, obviously, is a statutory requirement and put together by the Elections Committee, which is an independent committee of the FA. And each one of us, obviously, will have to go through. I would say that it was good. There were lots of questions for my good self. But basically, it's about the statutory provisions on your forms, whether indeed you signed the forms, whether you have met the statutory requirements on the form, i.e. The member who proposed you and the 5 required members who are needed to support your application. And then obviously you have to go through the integrity session, whether you've made your tax returns. So if you don't pay your tax, you are in trouble. And whether you've not made any false declaration whatsoever in relation to this opening. So I think that it was smooth. I'm very confident that given what I shared, I'll go through successfully, and then we'll be ready for the elections. Like I say all the time, football will always speak, and today football has spoken, and football will speak on the 27th of September.
Etiano ye command no the Ghana Football Association president after so called Koko Rami and vetting we are de timere tuja na enyo no nko nipo ne pre no Georgia Kwesi Fie so Koko Rami no niama odo na course ne sere nkomo didi ni city no ne nsem no say no so bomo de deny.
These are men of the integrity of the personnel or the gentlemen on the committee very high. I personally, before going into this vetting, did a background check on them. These are people who will do their job diligently. These are people who don't have any personal hidden agendas. In spite of some of the things that I've heard before going to this vetting, I'm sure it was already out there that you will be disqualified. I mean, if you are the media, you've heard it several times. But I believe in them. The questions were normal questions, was about football. And as you are already aware, this is not the first time I've gone through vetting. This is my 5th vetting. I've done vetting when I first contested for the executive committee position. I've done vetting from 2005 all the way down. And in 2019, I went through vetting. So vetting is normal, and it was engaging. I mean, these were questions related to football. And to me, I answer the questions to the best of my abilities.
Etiano no ye command open pano bomb modere 2 years on the vet no wa kwa them rebi twem na ye Ghana football no na ye bidichia no hwe aboa ma ne makuye da matibeke se no tunu ni so elim se ne ma esi agora na Alhaji Abdulkarim Grusa abomodin etimi de krata kwa kuramze about one eba beto no odi nyansha atoso na utire no koze olohu abaye to aye tu free soro na de akofom da na auto abare wo se sha se free form no na de akosoro eti otiase se ye tu we na wi ansa na aba beto district ne regional no na odi ne nkomo no nchemunu se no de mi
ya jini na media koko say yes ati ajumani district region ansana uhuru ni wa u tati wo a form no wako so yenye district election regional election and sana ya be election your friend saying prosper betina say omo betima ye ni sa omo betima ye ni say no mo pade na efife mo amamu somos na mo jwa ne jwa ya say bro mo me ba na watu America team me ba na ko ari ba mita na omo tunity achira watu America ya do ade na omo so save sa we papa mo unso bibia o say me to wudi me ko so me na me di wa ko chire me loya ko ji efe say omo atiche na omo do ma ko alisa ho wani beautiful ngina tibere omo so say eni mo bia kura fie but ya say bu omo eni mo bia fie
Tiamo ya komale obi para mo body to yara after no was ile what is the Ghana Football Association president achiska de ama teams na kwa ball Africa lo la scala oba chero adela dreams sinya 30,000 na me dem anya 30,000 na no so komo si ro body the farm
those church mediama any dreams any ma teams no me say GFA aboa wo fa being so ko Africa 30,000 any binu 20,000 na me paucha enam church we dreams nanti mediama bo Champions League wo mu ko confederation even the press money in Ghana hakura enye pepe why say obeche mediama ni dreams no manye pepe is that right mu chere kura enisa ye tina se ma for football here personal I fear Japadi.
Until no year command Abdul Alhaji Kaim Grusa. Now as a convisor, no, and then in common or bomb dear, yeah, 70 dear doors who do, but I was the arena, yeah, but Elma Shubo Kona confirm is a listo well amankwa. Ano Bujuma etimi Edema Real Tamale United no wa joining on my 5 years contract and no listo and so Eremo Kona Wakako Bujuma na bwa mane ma deda ye per etimi Edia Momontu ye mun komo no se de city ani nche mu no esietia na chese mrisi ni se be rama ye didi unkoma na makase ne o ye health work and kwade akwanya na be de ama se Trinity of Arc Limited Company ye Robert ko akwaku rama amanone na wakako yi juma Canada UK new year doctor nurse midwife lab technician na etwe ka kunya na ba etimi da ma de man komo ne denze Canada ni UK no kwa bebi abeda enwen ho ye be mo asua de kakra aboa ma wanya online so no de aye adwuma jiska bebre ye so usua de nya na ye clinical se beboa ma wanya ska obezo kokoko sua de Canada America ana Europe ni nyina no ene Trinity of Arc ye beboa na ye de wako ama ne ma de de ma footballers ne ye G Sports visa timi de mamo ene eze no one sa no dwuma de kra wo de damu Romania ni Ili apai mota akwenya do de mani sa no dwuma krom na ma no fa ne Robert Court na wakọ akobo dwuma 0531 644-217 0531 644-217 0531 633-556 0531 633-556 na 0205 572076 0205 572076 Kumaso Pomo Adwa Thomas Alachi omo be na Brepo Junction Kaso New Market Road no Fidelity Bank abansho no obenyo omonti robne mboa na ne manko ye pen fama bafo polo makansa African print no ejuma bafo de ye na no edempa tunjo de akọ na kokojo designs no mako 20 your African print polo shirt African print golf shirt African print round neck shirt African print v-neck shirt na the man common here there's a boutique for no na yen share pa de amamwa package no kona kokojo de sanza mu tuton a e mamuska bi ni boutique akọ bombeko your gold package at 20 shirt or box mu silver package 15 shirt or box mu bronze package 10 shirt or box mu gold package you no fair no deliver the amount you free and ankona ante say so yetimi gibit e wonso betimi akọ na timi nyiska organization shall don any companies with the banks schools and teachers association no ye rena ye entoto no etimi era man so any fan clubs no na mun komo no de man ye depa ene zeni no oboa na ne ma dadim pa etimi e de amama na entoto na akoyenti no mon fa ne number na mon no entimi enkasa 0249 600-789 0249 600-789 0599 899 919 open ayi ma kokobe oboa sesanta se kwano so no oboa na tutera ko ye pera ma top tier study abroad consult open so koko rama manone e koko sua ade a simple kra top tier for obeko nyakwa ko ram na ya hwe ne ejuma no ya bomoden amanafa etimi e de ama sua ade no after no wasan nya ejuma de aka wo yese ne uyo obi ani mbo ni mika kwa grace ne ya oba etimi je scholarship de ma be a partial ebi nsu ye funti bachelor's degree na person ko masters no postgraduate diploma and certificate no doctorate degree programs no US Canada UK Australia na New Zealand no ye be ni abo ama ne ma ko yipa etimi era ma sat ne ye bo ache ma high school for no na fi graduate no mo twe etwa ne ye na IELTS ne to for no nurses no graduate undergraduate student no so no mo twetwa mo am kan no mon form number no office no e Medina Royal Circle CCA Gan Plaza building no o si Medina Polyclinic no 0203 592 008 0203 592 008 na Kumasi Amakum traffic light no mo Bank of Africa Kumasi number ni 0260 411-847 0260 411-847 Atakrade amobe NK Fire Service afian kwanta kwan no amobe Fija School Park tadi number no is 0598 007 852 0598 007 852 ni amwa na man ko yepa entimi emfama nti o madaroma ma mere na menko ne ndidi di nkomo akra ansa na maye ya na mawuram na aboa na ne ma deda din pa etimi edi ama na bibia no etimi ato aso kama pa ti Bishop Yerum.
Mira, I'm say, no election headquarters GFA beto aba. Niedi ka gruza say court. Na alaju gruza court na okono. Okwa ko di nkomo na wa de na sema koto court anim. Praying the court so srewa na omunye bibi moa na elections ne kwan ya fa so ayeye no no. Yes salusi. Omo we school no so sesi am. Omo fa we show mutim. Omo ntre school no so afebo. Okay. A bedroom maybe on be free school no so abetene fie. Ye benya regime foforo nipa bi omo ye football no. Sebi omo start so mu din se huna mu ntimi ntu omo fu. Oh okay. Because momo abreso no. Mo be ye de chance. You maybe anamo ye. Kwaku. Nobody at that FA. Any bit me ama me tangible reason why. I was here to presidential and ESCO elections we. Ansa ne yakwa kotu. Regional elections ne sanema.
The lab who's always is our consensus.
Forget about Bibia. ESCO no. Ye two year. It cannot be formed.
Oh, okay.
The composition of GFA ESCO no. Ye better presidential and representative election ne we no. Ebeka slots mienu. Omuntimi fele. Into that ESCO will not be duly constituted.
Oh, okay.
Omuntimi ntwabe ni vice president. Because Ebeka RFA 2
also be
Shebenya RFA na just say yakoto aba and said the next 4 years wo already ama okwan se bra na be lead omo and sane etimi ato aba wo so akoyi members of the ESCO from the RFA level monfa bibia nto nchen masemi yetiawa ye beto aba yi president ye beto aba yi ESCO from women's football ESCO division 1 ESCO Premier League nemum ye wia RFA no entimi mfa nipa mienu ma because ankrofo no ye nto omo so aba ye beto president ye beto ESCO GFA Premier ESCO GFA Division 1 ESCO GFA Women's Football and sana yakoto RFA ye to RFA wia and ye betimi aka said the ESCO of the Ghana Football Association for the next 4 years no is duly constituted. Until that enye no kure eba kope na ESCO no ewo GFA mremu no on na board of directors of the Ghana Football Association. It will not, the board will not be duly constituted until it means swear omo. This is atuaba 10 RFA chairman no ama omo atuaba yi 2 efri omumu say omo mra no omo meka ESCO no. And yes sir, the entire 10 regions of Ghana are ESCO Premier League, ESCO Division 1 no. Clubs na on the door. Essence clubs na me body you know. Omo nya representatives for ESCO no so. Nti asempa na eyetia. Mo na monya mu football, mo sen centrofo eni wasem can no problem. Ba me ube catch me say yenkoto national chairman. Abenyu ansa na abeto regional chairman aba. Mesro pa.
There was S.
So what I say, mo fa bibia nto jo ka mo say we nya politics. Na de ye na ye de. Deɛ na den.
That one meant admit me.
You see, mo te wa mo kan sa de na. Mo hwenya me anim agya tum say the electoral committee is an independent committee. Mo hwe yie. E kina bi omo maka na Christopher mo ne akoto mo ne ho amu biem. Alagi dede mo no. Na ma nkwa ne papa mo no. Omo nsa be so national cake no football no a. Ombe kire mo pa. Young Club Administrators Association fund. Se mo de to me brebe mo bre so no mbe fa to me na e ho na mbo hu. Mo the politics ne mafia kata mo nim e na mo ye nioma bi to suit yourselves enye monsesa. Ket he would win the elections, possibly even vote for district first. Na ne sad president no. E ma RF abana ye time.
Abi you na di kan media JD ade
go and make us e be ma na ye time because me sesa me nioma me move straight to Sunyan. This a ket sada no oche ni mu 10. Efa ne campaign team members no obia 10 members obia encourage her na mko make sure so obia winning. Because he would face proper opposition. Nipa ni bi so no aye lazy. Omo anya adwuma papa bi omo di bone. Awa omo regions mu omo wiem no mama class bi qualify omo sisi amanfo nti onu ne dida so nyina ye ketokraku ket we ni wia
na wa ba the way na ba yewe bemfa ye oba bi wemfa
we ye wadwuma yi a nka wonyuma wotu ni. Anyway, now Mbeka James said there is a petition on Georgia Free, okay. Now me say clubs no more endorsing the candidate channel. There's a contention on some.
Yeah.
Good. In Tianra okuduru ho na sane ha ne ye no ye ya ne abodin e boso ane akasa e wa na aka enti no ntimi kura nko bisa enti no ntimi mfo obi anko ba bia no.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah, me nua Joseph Bernard Ashali or your lawyer. On the chairman of this elections committee.
Oh, okay.
Converting so kura ne microphone no bisa nsem. No to simienu David Amusai or any vice. Me nua Daniel Odro or your yonko pa or Ghana Web. On so committee no so. Daniel James committee no so. And I'm a Regina for each messy munina munim no on so committee no so until kwa nipa akoto communicate the next here ne nkomodie kama on be bisa questions back you about the form no no maybe our year also they were certain send the tax forms no of filing the tax the police record ya bisa and send back you before a Republic of Football no in the it was a very camaraderie friendly atmosphere and no money did come ti ehone ye boko waba Georgia Free no similar and look at the Daniel lecture or chiro mo kwan mo faso your football no from all those years so I mean no football no that the point of contention na mo raise here nunia ni actually mo raise here na club na endorsing and say nipa no sign here no investigation kakra che say nipa na director of the club until now say a fair club owner ni bizan say na also ma so mesi say on ko sign club owner say I he's the general manager of the club I don't know man sign
na anu don body
o debi
anu don body
o debi but anu class me charge ya
o wait maka
o team now
be team now be team now the court I want this comfort him say we vote o be all this comfort him o all this obi anim say we vote
ni for sign ade no so fia
ni obi anim say we vote o na danu do no mu say be dim ya bo me din na me koto a
obi aye mechi no obi aye mechi no obi aye mechi no into team no came into contention and ran ajo ni Ashale any team owner no any the general manager o ma Zoom meeting and pay o ma sign ye biem o mu gugu so a ye validating o ma ye the o ma team the letter ama efe ni say look mon come ntomo yem na me authorize ye na Georgia Free any signatories or the koye no e bro so onyama ne bro so
eje de na ekowia bi
menti me dey say the esi wo ho na ye ka elections contest no untwatro the wom na waka but there is ye hwehwem because senior Georgia Free na account of video no on what said there is a plan to get him off but wako 5 times and some mafia we no my achem bi atwam ntino wabia
ono so ahye
so atiase eno ne ne o ma ekoso say okatachi kwesi apia kopi mu ho na kontompo ni afere hene na wa penkan so ebon chidom ene ne koye questions ni bebre wo nipa hinta de akira na nam kumase ya se omunyi da so bere mfrim no mfa kwesi apia amroma no ombe yiwa frim market today o esco no san koso biem ombe you no kwesi apia wood kwesi apia marshal forces a Omo after betting and omo yema shom. Yes. Kotoko initially they were planning to send Emmanuel Dasubei.
Oh, okay.
And a nipa be free if ho ba mention. No, kwesi apia Dasubei there on the FA no na ya send some. So then he stayed back. Na kwesi apia duro no mu bio form so no so a omo say Canton Cross for no more man na endorse no kra na say bibia.
We all come with the
you know, I'm saying it was a very positive, very positive.
Mama, me didn't come with about to feel less in the other day. Too much. I don't know how ya baba be doing come on. Teach me that's a pa. The Bishop Atapo good artist in the old room. Ya can't say any headquarters. Me call na mene Roxy. Raymond Amwakoa mene raining komaka. Rena bibi aboko there.
Abu ahode ho pa o.
Niama so de dana kwa mu kama pa.
Stardom.
Na Roxy Zara ze niama si ko. Ze ezi school fu be kwa ma no ne football esi eni ya page me bibi bia je se mo a. Ye nu ko ma Grace
Bishop ni. Ekoye kese.
Oh, okay.
Because a buyer no response no is positive.
Edanya ase.
Sawe pepe. Na Odman Bahamas Edman die.
Still at the hole.
At the hole in the
Bahamas die no.
Omo wana matcho do ko.
You rub kakra.
Offer bi ba. Sika obi anim se de ko kata no.
Sompa Sports.
Offer bi ba wo no wo de no ye che de odi ko no miensa obetwam ba ko.
The all day con ye chemu miensa.
The other be our binim se what they call kata. A quay juman.
Ye chemu miensa.
Now what you be?
Oh, and the wafa mubako.
Ye chemu miensa na wafa bako. Wow, kono bako.
Wafa bako.
Now see the other
for you know.
Sabe pepe.
Wow.
Aye.
The offer we should the Buddha or pass. I swear.
Say Roxy no. Yeah no. Ye ho odene. Ye se kotoko.
Sa pepe.
Ye pray one na and morning you adwane
sa pepe
ena ball no nso egusu dindindin na ball no ebia beka ho
ebia beka ho
UK academy ni de ebia your next meeting make sure say abrofo na bagana.
Oh, okay.
Anse na me bo boss na academy teams are omo ba abe you know ha justify no ha say
as o ma be scout on call for the
omo. So what you see? Eti Roxy, ye dwumadi ane se ye de kofo na eba. Omunya owie na wo kwa o people work bi bia no, o document bia na Roxy ayama na de ko.
Wow.
Yenye a prayer management organization. Ye travel and tour. Adiasi. Ba ye no ye register under labor commission tinu. Ye recruitment so ma obia. Even government Ghana crabit ye betima recruitment amount.
Wow.
Sanity.
Ti footballers no ma onze zi omo hu be hia akra bia da so ne zo be kwa ma no ne
sabe Dubai the second division ogo your trials na fa wa off you go Belarus Europe so nimsa
minimpa
za pepe Indonesia so ho so we na team bi wa na brofo so a Travel Roxy ye nche okwan no Confederations bi bla
ba dia ba be yefie
da be yefie
sa pepe
na if be enchiato Japan Obani Antonchia 6 weeks one kwa braba ju sika nyina Japan okopa djuma ya Faroxy say 6 weeks na eso na da so Ghana now document nya ready a hwebani mu ye Roxy na braba ju sika
na Ray nya Japan and convo ka say okọ dindindin ni 6 weeks back
uni links na o ka say okọ din
oh okay
so that's here the attention penny no first of this month next month or Japan ho. I say obi transi a wo friend no the heading that when you no. So what you say? Ha anti Japan dey your friend nchi ato 6 weeks pepe.
Simple cra. A lot them da.
O dem da.
Eh na go for the quiet.
Last week me ba no. Na obi wo machi o free bogo so na ba ye. Ne passport ne visa ready wa. Ticket ni na ready wa. So ba we share.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
Onu ko Qatar.
The BBI
ready.
Last week ba call you know.
Me ba hanu enene na wotwe.
Pepe.
Enti onu so ba on Thursday no.
Oh okay. Na zo nyambo ayi enche dan du na wotwe.
Enu na wotwe no kra.
But BBI did them.
Sir for security reasons nka me boni ni crash
yeah ba on timembo
Monday no so obi buy or buy pepe take it some try say visa reservation ne jet rentals bibia no Faroxy na ye be yamo ye wo asafo Kumase asafo VIP station one mo golden home touch abronsa no so oba be hu Roxy wo
Sompa Sport
ena enkramanta mu nso ye wo Kaswa CP opposite Methodist Church oba oni ebedi enkomo o de oba na se you know lalamia no jete no nkoyi a ye won hye bebre de ma
ya easy ka se mo form ne ye ba mo
e wo form a worry not ye bedi nkomo
na won hu se ro be si aye ah nipa ne dey so bebo
ye see humanism minti na atwi mi no ye dey enam ida na go say minim bishop yi na se makwehia no ba bia o fo se mebre
da bi umbre
ye see wadamfo ni asrobo akotokro nye dey
enka so da
nti se wo de hu bo Roxy a akwantu se mde
fukra
mo emre ni to de ma fa numbers ni to dwa
avana ma no to dwa ne enko
Kumase eye asafo VIP station one mo aso no man kura screen as
baba gu omo mo ti radio
kwasu denti
no
na yetinta so gu esu makawa ebeta enyezi onye dwani ni wonsu muti so that's here eti number ni ye 0257 77 67 30 Kumasi 0557 60 73 75
Kumasi
enkran edie no 0244 61 32 37 eti nkomo wi o ha busa
Canada hon common
Canada ne
firm kakra
etawu den so person otu
passports
na ko kira de Canada US open scholarship akọ China and open visa or Schengen all the Schengen countries in so we dey for you
scholarship no cheche mi mu kakra eni me when ne qualifies or beba ma so ya onya scholarship de akwa ma no ne akosu ade
why passports we change no bibia Ghana wi officer ball masters come to Roxy the more scholarship for the passports na no emo de o sua de no obetimi aye dwuma asanya sika gubuto
okay
what is it the we asia baby apesa woko baby a opesa woko no last week me kan say fellow island kra na opesa woko Iceland Greenland baby apesa woko bia no Satomi and opesa woko come to Roxy
as a akwantu no nko ade
say me say wo da sorry now for what direction I say na me madwuma it person too kwa ma no ne a just come to Roxy wo Kumasi a fa asafo VIP station one godom touch esro no oba me person too kwa me person me free anu me free ada me private jet ye be ya ma na de ko
wow
simple Mati se me dia ma for some private jet o mo mfa ba bia mo mani nyam tata o mo mra
Roxy o abeba obo na ji atete we
papa sabe pepe
re
yeah
we lo simple
simple say
kata wali telo
unim say udi madwuma unsuro pani
no kre
obroni ne ba wa adwuma no unim ati say we sports o da sore ne ebuza say e den na ekọ so a sports hosting unim say obesi hosting sana eti o Roxy ye num adwuma no enti ye kasa ye kokohwe soro ala say ye nsuro bibia
mate
be man sunsun so wasara o ham
o ende no kre
o ham no asi no hu ba bia mu do
sa
eti bra Roxy na ye fa nko akwantupa na wani nye sanity
mate re ye wada ase ye bezesha
mate ase na age na 19 na adaso
19 now
19 madam bajo hu or 19 years
next year na yamboa
obenya 20
but ya me hu ai baby girls fe
say dia
aban call for fe say dem say no age na ya na e be 30 plus but men kwa me na mode a 90 years re beshia eltia no ye Roxy travel sene ye koko ramo so ye koko din komo ebo amane ma deda ye pa etimi ede ema wo kama ewram na aboa na nhihye no so no etimi adeda ye kama so no etimi ede amount ye bere na ya bo modern na yakọ na edin komo na gramo bo amekakra emeze nne no manima no ba wa fe pa ba mu ayi fo ne ade ati omo no na o ma ba be sae ti fair service for maybe so mo baby o mu fi ne de nam so mo baba betwa ya wa di ne mo am we chi no mo fa nche na emeze mintimi mfa course no mintimi mfa course ba kokra na me ne omo nni nkomo ne ehu di nti a omo baba bra na oba mi ni mama mre we no me ya de nka ma na sha ase ka ni o na me ni no pempa wa ye pempa so oba ma me kwan na me de omo sha ase ni we ya
kwanda
oba ya de ma me mo akwa bakra
ya
na me pa cho din no
pacho be free ipenyino ho
sa ati sha ase wa pemfo na nkasa wa okay but ababa kwaba
yeah eja
be pacho din
pacho midinde ADO1 Agri Deborah
ADO1
Agri Deborah
na AD na no ye den pacho bo am kakra
assistant divisional officer
okay okay na me pacho onzo
me pacho me say friend me ADO1 Asar Ellen
okay eza mu nyina mo rank ba kwa na say me ntie no na se onze me die bo ne ade a enti Ellen ADO1 Ellen na ADO1
Agri Deborah
Deborah okay abayi na ba jozo
this is so yeah assistant station officer Asuman
yeah na abayi geze
pacho fireman Owusu Foster
Owusu Foster me name no na Debbie I no pay we die ke di ze mo de ke ne mo na no pay we komo be na mo de nam
mpacha no pay we ye de ne boko
okay
ye free Breman fire station ewo Breman West ye ne SDA hospital ewo the same compound
okay
na anopa we ye ba ha ye safety team a ye wo Breman fire station ye na ye hwe ebo eja ho dero ma eyene emba
okay
ye nchechire ewon sorry schools any mosque ne market ne ade nti wo hia ye so ye be education amawa ye betumi aba na ya be ama nti as part of ye juma no ye annual week celebration fire safety annual week celebration
okay
nti ano na edi abedru ha anopa we ye be kire enyoma bia tememufo no ebi mu nim especially ye act 1997 act 537 ye wo embra wo ho ene ejumedi a ye di bebre but ejuma we ya ye bebo so no tememufo no ye mu bebre no omu nim nti ye ba say ye be highlight e ho ne kakra so that what say asem we na say wo besi wo dan a wo be ba fire for ho na ya boa na wetumi esi ne fefefe pacho embrane ne say yema technical advice ewo wo building plan ho say wo besi dan no enye say wire plan na wakoso say wo si akeke no there are some technical advice bi wo ha yedema advice ni bi ne say say most of times no yesi dan a yen consider escape route
yes
obi wo besi dan kese pa
I don't know the battery man anka be bo me pa escape you know be obi ofi on tiase
to say we see a dine main gate no we be see si ba ko bia in case of oyene ba
obefa ho na ko
me afa ho epi
okay mate de okana se pa mo kan na menya line no as a bad dine ba ko wanimu a I was ba ko bi nda chi ho bebi a asemba na ha na ye a ofa ha na ko no mate ase
enti ebi mu nim ne sa obesi dan kese na wama ekwan ba ko pe na ntokro no nso a etumi serve as escape route no nso omo fixing with burglar proof ni ade nti oye ne ba na ontumi mpie onimpa se me fa hanka metumi akoba because ekwan da wonti no na wa finding herself wanting no shemu nti ye ba se ye be chire wo besi wo dan a fa wo building plan ne bra na ye mfa wo mfem ebia fa ekwan to ha aha ne ye ni say ena krampo se we sie wi a and prevent us a member eno nso bra ye betumi aye bibia fa ho nti ye besre edan na ye sisi no ye mfa kwan ekwan more than one emfa nto ho ye windows no nso ye mbombo de anye no retractable windows no eno ye unse your windows bi wo ha fixed burglar proof ne si by empesa obeye nesa fixed burglar proof no na we use retractable one ya yetumi epia a wo betumi alock in case of emergency na say wuntumi mfa wo door ni mu a entempa na wo bie window na wo hwele ko side pe na wetumi afa mepi
komo we ni de na nka me pepa se ye behwe na ka payfo wa na chiche dimini mo nam bibia na nka wo de atodwa se de be obi hia mo na obefre be o yemre na so na yempije mu na da for ye san hia na ewramu pa nti so wo number bi afa todwa yo komo na wo di na beboa ye nyina na yehu bibisa na na yemfre ni ntu ana monti number bi o ana
mpacho number wo befre 0202
0202
47
33 43 Sansi subi mama
0202 47 33
43 Mate tu de bezeshia mo van cheme memre ni ti no na yewura na edi nkomonti fresa number no na tu sa na mompa no na chie no anka mi hu yanka de before aize ye de nam no na ebeboa na meni bizo mo wa iso no eye den kosi se dan bi do mbeba na ncheche no ewura media men di no ye mfampem na ye mpije mu news at 12 ne beba na de akibia aba beto aso kama pa etimi edi amamo anyway in case of any emergency so yetimi san for same number no mate yada masepa di yeko de akibia beto aso amamo
wante unipeduase a wote ayaresa